birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
No.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you. Oh, this is so...
If God punish you, then this is so what? I'm even singing for you. Talk about it. Stay there, let me kill you. Don't move. Stay there, let me use you for what I need. Happy birthday, my love. It's your birthday. What's wrong? You okay? You okay? It's your birthday. I spent a lot to fix all those things. Your cake is upstairs. What's wrong?
I know. But everything can wait. At the moment, I'm scared. I'm just scared of everything.
Scared of what?
I don't know why I keep having such bad dreams. I have to go. I am so sorry. I'm sorry. I need to go.
I do not understand. Scared of what? I am your husband. I cannot hurt you.
What kind of art did your wife just portray in the living room? Knowing fully well the living room was decorated because of her birthday.
I don't know. I don't know. She's not even talking about it. All she's speaking about is her disturbing dreams.
What kind of disturbing dream is this? Can't she just talk to you so you both will look for a solution? Not going from one place to another looking for what that is not even looking for her. She might even end up in the wrong hands.
True. Once she gets back, we'll trash it. Yes.
I don't think you should wait till she gets back. Why not go now and look for a solution? You already know the dream. There are people that interpret dream out there. You can talk to them.
You have a point. You have a point, bro. That's exactly what I'll do, but I'll have to discharge everyone before my children get back.
Yes, I sent it to your other number. Did you see it? No, that's not true because I made sure I asked you to check for it and be sure it's correct. I did so.
Where's my mother? I thought she was here with you, auntie.
Hold on, please. Yes, she's there. Can't you see her? She's here. Are you seeing a blurry vision? Are you blind? Are you daft? Are you stupid? You can't see her here. See her here now. Can you imagine? Yes, my mommy. Yes, my mommy. So listen, if you see your mother now, will you know her?
Yes. She was here with you a while ago, or maybe she went inside.
Will you stop? Just stay there. You twat, uncultured, unreasonable fool. She was here with you. She was here. Really? Listen, I'm not Vera. I would have put you in your place. You are so daft, stupid, and crazy for asking me stupid questions. Who gave you that guts? Like, who gave you that temerity to ask me questions? Your mother. Your mother. Do you have a mother? Do you have a mother? No, you are not. In fact, your mother is not even here. My friend Vera is not your mother. Yes! My friend Vera is not your mother because she don't look like her. You are so ugly. You don't know? Let me tell you something. I'll have put you in your place in this house. Please just take a walk to the zoo and look for your mother there. She's not here. Go to the zoo, the forest, anywhere. Look for your mother. If you see her, then you can hold her. Do you hear me? Ask me, stupid mother. Yeah, my mother was here. It's here. Will you get out from here? Come on, get out. You ooze of nonsense. Get out. Get out from here. See his face. Why are you walking like AI? Slow motion. No, come and ask me questions now. Very ugly. In fact, Vera, why were you following my hand now? This boy, you should not be here. You should be in the zoo with the animals. Just stay there. Where's my mother? No, she's on my head.
The nightmare is scary and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not at peace.
Daniel, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Just leave me alone.
Sorry.
Wait a minute, Princess.
What? What is that she leave you?
I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Is your mom not my mother too?
What do you mean? I don't get you. Please excuse me.
Yeah, come in. Come, it's open. The door is open, come. How are you? My friends say good afternoon, Dad.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Say good afternoon, sir. Once you see your father, you greet. I didn't hear you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good. How are you?
Nice.
Oh, you don't look happy. What's wrong? I came in, everybody greeted me except you. Where were you? What's wrong?
Dad, I want to ask you an important question.
Just go ahead.
Is it true that Obina's mother is not my mother too?
That's a lie. Who told you that?
Is it not Auntie Jessica? This is the third time she's using this to insult me, Dad.
It's alright. Don't cry, yeah? Okay? Don't cry. It's not true. What she said is not true, man. She's just pulling your legs. It's not true, okay? I'll fix it. Don't cry now. Come on. Big boys, don't cry.
Thank you.
The nightmare is scary and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not at peace. Every day when I'm with
Why will your friends say such a thing about my son? Why? What is wrong with her? Is she part of my family? Why?
My friend saying it or not, the truth will not be hidden forever. The earlier he knows his origin, the better for us all.
What is wrong with you? How can you say this? You're a mother, for God's sake. How do you say this? Did you even think about how the boy will feel? Huh? And you just sounded like you're having mental issues. Why would you say something like that? Why? Are you mad? This is wrong. Listen, Daniel is my son. He remains my first son and nothing can change it. And this is his father's house. So it stays that way. I don't want this thing in my house again. Warn your friend.
your imagination is killing you.
There you are, son. I've been searching everywhere for you. I checked all the rooms upstairs, I didn't see you. What's wrong with you? Look at me, look at me. Don't tell me you're crying. What's wrong now? Is it because of what that lady said? I told you, don't cry. Men don't cry. Big boys don't cry. Stop.
Dad, who's my mother? Tell me who's my mother. I want to know.
We'll talk about that some other time, not today.
Dad, please tell me. I really want to know, please. I want to know who's my mother.
Your mother is that woman who always comes here regularly and buys you gifts. You call her auntie. Her name is Queen. That's your mother. And you have a twin brother.
You mean that woman, Queen, is my mother and I have a twin? Daddy, how?
Listen to me, both of you. Listen real good. No matter what anyone tells you, I am not Daniel Small. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. No matter what they say, I am not his mother. And trust me, I am very serious about it. Do you understand?
Okay, that's why I was asking me one question.
Don't mind him. Let him continue to ask you. When he is tired, he will keep his mouth shut.
So Mom, who is his mother?
One dirty-looking, stupid woman with no surname.
This is serious, Mom. Is that aware of it?
Of course, your father is aware. But he's very angry right now because he does not want the truth to be unveiled. Listen to me. None of you should ask him about it, except he decides to tell you, of which I know he won't. All I know is, no one will take your rights in this house. Obina, do you understand me? No one. I'm here for you. Your mother is alive, so they will not take your right.
Yes,
Good boy. Now, both of you, go play. Go play.
The nightmare is scary and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not at peace. Every day I wake up with fear. I believe in love. I believe in love. I also believe in hard time in marriage. But I'm afraid to lose all I've worked for. I'm afraid to lose all.
Mommy, I welcome.
Thank
I
you.
welcome, Mommy, I don't want to stay in this house anymore. Please,
What's going on? Why do you want to leave your father's house?
just take me out of here, please.
Hey, what's going on? You're not going anywhere, okay? This is your father's house. Whoever that wants you to leave, the person is joking because you're the first son.
I don't want to go back in here, please. Just take me with you.
Can you tell me what the problem is? What's going on? Why do you want to leave? Hey, I'm here. What is it?
Mommy, I don't want to stay here, please. I want to go with you, Mommy. Mommy, please.
For you to insist, that means there is a problem. You know what? Alice, what's going on? Why would Dana want to leave his father's house? Why?
You talk as if you don't know children. It's just talking.
Just talking. And who told him about me? What led to that?
It's something we discussed last night. But don't worry about it. It's nothing.
It is settled. It is settled and he's requesting to leave.
He did.
He did not. Someone that has already gone packing his things already.
Children. I discussed this with him last night. I told him everything will be fine. Don't worry, he's not going anywhere. I'll speak to him again.
You think so? See, Alice, you have to. You have to do something about this. Try. This time around, try harder. I'm not finding it funny anymore.
Sit down. I thought we agreed on something.
Yes, Dad. But I need to go and see my mother, at least to enjoy her love a little with my brother.
I see. What you want to do is good. Very good. Very thoughtful of you. But doing it without my consent is wrong. It means you are disrespecting your father. And that is totally unacceptable. You will not disrespect me. You will not be stubborn over that little thing that happened.
Dad, please. I know it's hurt you, but please, I need to go with my mother. Please, you have to allow me, Dad. Please.
The nightmare is scary and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future.
I don't know why little boy as David wants to run away from his father's house. And I believe you're the cause of it.
Think about it this way. Just maybe he wants to see his mother.
Whether he wants to see his mother or not, I want you to know one thing. This is his father's house. And he's the first son of this house. And there is nothing you can do about it.
I do not know what you are talking about. But there's one thing I'm absolutely sure about. This is my husband's house. And you know that. Capiche?
Really? Thank God you know me. You know me too well. Bitch.
If anyone had told me that someday I'll be seated here discussing this matter, I wouldn't have believed it. But here we are. I mean, what's going on? What's going on? Why? Answer me, why? Why is my first son being uncomfortable in his father's house? Why? Why does he want to leave? He's still a child. What has he seen? What will make him want to leave his father's house? It simply means something is being said to him. Something bad is being done to him. He's being treated in a bad way. That's why he wants to leave. I called both of you before my parents traveled, and we all had a discussion. We had an agreement, and we sealed it. We were all fine. So why is this topic making headlines in my house now, at this minute? Why? I want to know, Vera, why?
Hey, I know it's my name you will call. But the truth is I have nothing to say. Oh.
Why would you have something to say? When you literally want Daniel to leave his father's house. Even if he's in America, he still remains the first son of this family.
Thank God I have my own children. And I have a son. Else, I would have been fasting and praying and even crying frustrated that I am finished. But thank God who is not a man.
Yes, so thank God he's not a man. He saw your wicked, shitty heart. That's why he brought Daniel first. Who knows what would have happened if Daniel is not the first son?
Are you two done embarrassing yourselves?
Alice, I'm sorry. I'm living with my son. Okay? I had him for you. I shouldn't be here watching him get killed in his own father's house.
My son is going nowhere. You can leave if you want to leave, but my son stays here. This is his father's house. I called both of you to have this discussion amicably and settle this. It's obvious you are bent on causing problems and making noise. But it's okay. I will now handle this matter my own way. And believe me, that my way may not be pleasing to both of you. Vera, you are beating the drums of war. That thing you are looking for, when it comes, you will not like it. That thought in your head, you better delete it, and delete it right now. Don't
Are you sure your daddy will let you?
I'm sure, but
I'm
let's try and
scared.
face this. It's coming out. It's coming.
Daniel, I thought we had this discussion already yesterday and we agreed. What's going on?
Dad, please, let me go with my mother now that she's here. Please, at least, let me stay with her for a while, please.
Did you tell me before packing your bag?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Did you tell me before packing your bag?
No.
Alice, please. Just allow him to go with me. During holidays, let him just stay with me for a while.
I don't want my son to be a disrespectful boy. I will not take it. Go back inside. Keep your bag. You're not going anywhere today. You will not disrespect me. Else you will see a side of me you've never seen all your life. Pack your things out. Keep them there. I will decide when you go to see your mother. Go inside.
Alice, what you're doing is not fair. Let my son be. Let him come with me. I'm his mother. Let me take care of him, please.
And I am his father. I will raise him like a man. As a man, he must learn to be respectful. Okay? Do not encourage disrespect with this boy. Never. He will not go today. I already told him he will unpack his things and stay here. When I'm ready for him to come and see you, I'll bring him to your place. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not at peace. Every day I wake up with fear.
My dear, nothing will happen. Believe me when I say nothing will happen. You only aired your view as a woman of the house. You made your point crystal clear. Yes, and your husband knows the truth. That's why he's keeping quiet. He knows. Yes. So my love, listen. Your husband knows that the parents got him another woman, a good woman. So why did they marry you? Why? Do not accept that nonsense. No greed, that rubbish. Mount your guard. Refuse to be a fool. Please. It's been settled. Is that what you're saying? And then this same issue is on your neck, hanging on your neck like a bone, like it won't choke you. This same matter. How is it settled? What do you do now? Would you listen to my advice? See, get more firewood. Add it to the fire. Let it keep burning. Make it burn down all your enemies. That's what you would do. What am I saying? Sweetheart, do not be cool with all these things. No greed. Yes. Refuse to be a fool. Let your husband know you stand so he can plan himself on time. Make his plans on time. Yes. And for that stupid queen, let her know that you will not train her child for her. Let her take her child to wherever she wants to take her child to. Simple. Make it crystal clear now. Yes. Not when you make him understand that you will... Okay. When you threaten him that he will not be an obstacle to your child in your own house. And then he has something else come in his mind. Yes. See yourself. That's one thing with you. That's my problem with you. You have this problem. You want to be a good woman. And it's not like you are that good though. It's not like you are one good person like that. But you like to fake goodness. And then every time the matter will not eat you up and then you will not drown in your own problems. What's your problem? What is it? Mount your guard now. What is this? Eh? See, let me give you a very sincere advice. As long as that boy is in your house, your son will always be the second fiddle. Yes. What am I doing? Take Daniel to your house. Are you alright?
Are you the one saying this? Really? Is that what you're saying, Auntie? Oh, you have forgotten that I'm equally his mother. Listen, there is no how I will leave him in that house so that they will kill him for me. He's equally my son.
Wait. Allow Alex to fix his house the way he wants it. What is all this?
At his own detriment.
Queen, it's not as if you were dating him. What is your problem?
At my son's detriment? At my son's detriment! And it will not happen. Never. Please stop faulting me. Okay?
Alex, I was surprised when I got your call. What really happened?
The whole thing started last night. Daniel kept on crying. I spoke to him. I tried to pacify him, but he wouldn't stop. He said he wanted to know who his mother is. I had to tell him.
This whole story, how did it get to this extent?
You know, my wife's friend, what's her name? Jessica. The foolish woman told my son Daniel that Vera is not his mother. Can you imagine? I mean, who asked you? Who asked you? Is it your business?
Why would Vera give out this kind of information to a total stranger?
I don't know. My wife Vera, the kind of things she does these days, they baffle me. I'm shocked.
This Vera recent character, like, it's surprising. How did she become something else all of a sudden?
I don't know. If she does something right now and my parents hear about it, they'll be like, for real? Same Vera? Our own Vera doing this?
Moreover, Seth, they won't even believe you. Because she's always acting very calm and nice and one good girl and all that.
Yeah. In fact, now I understand the saying. The devil you know is better than the angel you do not know.
My man, you have a point. You really have a point. You really, really have a point.
And if I may ask, have you told your husband about them?
I will do that later.
That is the problem you have. You always like to take things lightly until they are choking you. What if he finds out that Daniel is with you? How is he going to react?
Who will tell you?
What if the mother comes around?
I should not. Auntie, please stop. You have to stop, okay?
Stop what? When? Eh? Look, I am going to call your husband myself. I am going to tell him everything.
No.
Yes, because I don't know how he's going to react if he finds out from someone else.
Auntie, please do not disturb me. Okay? Allow him to be. I will handle this my own way.
Really? Okay, no problem. But don't come running to me when you're putting the set. You know that? Don't come because I'm not listening to you.
Honestly, I feel I don't know you anymore. What's going on? Darling, what's going on? This is not you. Huh? What are you turning into? I believe my parents spoke to you, right?
Yes. About an hour ago.
And you heard them, clearly. My parents are disappointed.
And am I the only one to blame for everything?
What do you mean?
Well, dear husband, you made it really clear that you love Daniel. You shower him with so much love, whether he's there or not. Tell me, or even show me, any woman who will allow her son to be placed as second in everything. Show me.
Nobody is placing your son as second in anything. They're all my children. I explained the situation to you before we got married and you were okay with it. Suddenly, you have a problem with it. I do not understand. They are all my children. I love all my children. I do not discriminate.
But your action speaks differently.
What action are you talking about? Excuse me. What action are you talking about? What is wrong with you? Huh? Me?
You, yes, you. You're my greatest problem. If you had just come directly to me when you first got back into the country, all of this would not happen. No, like a typical man that you are, you ran straight into the arms of another woman who has already slept with her husband. And you also slept with her and the both of you impregnated her. Now I'm the one suffering everything.
What is wrong with you? Don't you ever speak to me in that manner again.
No, just go! Run away! Like a man that you are, you will never listen to the truth. All men are same. They never listen to the truth. And you're slapping me over what exactly?
Please, Alice, I am here to plead with you to help me talk to your wife. I think Daniel's life is being threatened in this house. He's living under fear. Biko, help me talk to your wife. Let him handle this boy with care. That's why we are here, Biko. Yes.
Did I invite you to my house? I asked you a question. Did I invite you to my house?
No, you did not invite me to your house, but I think this is the right thing.
Did I tell you there's any problem in my house? Did I tell you anything like that? Answer me.
You did not tell me, but my
Daniel, shut up, my friend. Is Daniel your son? Daniel is my son. Whatever Daniel is doing is normal, that's his age. But I am his father, I will take care of him, I'll protect him, and I will put him to order. That's how it's done. I did not ask you to come to my house to tell me how to live in my own house. Go to your own house and settle your house. Don't come to my home and tell me how to live here. I will not take it. Let this be the very last time.
Alice, are you talking to my auntie like that?
I'm already pissed off. Just because she's your aunt, I'll try so hard to be calm. Alright? I have drinks there. You can go ahead and drink. I have food you can eat. When you're done, get out of my house.
Alice, are you walking out on us?
I am not satisfied though. What is all this?
Hey. Get out! You're not satisfied, are you mad? Leave my house! There's someone, you know, don't let me say you are not satisfied. Come thunder fire you. Get out of my house! You are not satisfied. No, no, Diego. No. Let me see you here again. I'll satisfy you, idiot. Come on.
What kind of man is this, Alice? How can he chase us out of his house like that?
Alice,
hi.
I don't have anything to say yet. Let something happen to my son first. Then Alice will know the beast in me.
Hi. Not even a single respect. Treating us like we are not a human being.
Well, Alice, hey, if something happens to my son, I'm not going to take it lightly with him. I'm just being calm. I don't want to be loud. Let something happen to him first.
I think you're right here. Daniel is no longer safe in that house. Yes.
Now you believe me?
Yes.
Ah.
Hey.
You not believe me because
I see what you are telling me all this why. That man is a beast.
Not even Alice. This whole thing is Vera. Vera is the cost of it all. But I won't have it. I'm taking my son with me.
I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of every day.
Listen to me very carefully. Do not fall for any of his tactics. Anything he has to say, do not agree, do not fall. Do not be his fool. Yes. My love, stand your ground, Kidigba. When you do not fall for him, he will not start feeling, okay, maybe he's guilty or stuff, and then he will not seek for your opinion. By then you have won. You can now put in your plans to work. Yes, very easy.
Jessica, it's not as easy as you say.
Vera, my darling. If it was easy, you will not be here planning now. It cannot be easy. That's why we are planning. Do you understand? And you must win. Yes. There is no button.
Wow. Wonderful, right? So this is who you really are. You came into this house as an angel. Everyone loved you. Now you have turned yourself into the devil that everyone fears. So this is it. I promise you will be the one that will throw yourself out of this house. Now you have a backup friend. Wow. And this someone will be the one that will destroy the beautiful home you have built.
Did somebody just speak now? Like you were echoing. I could not hear you well. Excuse me. What should we call you now? A soul winner? Daughter of Christ? Antichrist? The devil herself? Please, if someone has to speak in this matter, not you now, because your mouth stink. You oath of stupidity. I do not understand it. Why are you talking here? This whole saga is your fault. Because if you had kept your teeth in your tat, we wouldn't be here talking this nonsense right now. Yes, you slept around with 2 men. Please hold your nonsense and then keep quiet. I'm not your business. What is this? You get it. Yes, I just spoke to you. I don't know you or what you heard about me. You're leaving this house this minute.
No, that will not happen. In case you have forgotten, this is my house. Take a look at this. Go back to your house. You're the one to leave this place. What is wrong with you? How dare you?
Hold on. Did you raise your stupid and smelly hands, crossed hands on my face in my friend's house?
Do not ever mention my name from your mouth. Else I will shove it down your throat just a minute.
Come on, take it. Are you mad?
Just ignore her. Queen, this is my house, not yours. I don't know what you come here to do all the time. Please just go to your house.
Okay, it's talking. So you now have mouth to talk.
You now have mouth to talk. You are so lucky that this is my friend's house.
Jesse.
Out of you. Are you mad? I'm not Vera. I'm not soft. I'm a stop.
This is my husband's house. Anything happens, it will fall back to me. Do you understand?
They call you Jessica or whatsoever. I don't care.
Queen,
I have seen your type many times. 1,000,000 times. You don't know me.
Can you stop? Can you both stop?
You are so lucky. I want us to stop, right? You are so lucky.
I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of every day wake up.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Did anybody come looking for me?
Yes, sir.
Who's that?
Auntie Queen came, and she has an issue with Madam and her friend.
Issue? What kind of issue?
I don't know, sir.
Can you imagine the cock and bull story both of you are giving to me? Huh? 2 adults starting up a fight in my house. Should be ashamed of yourselves.
Honey, that's not how it happened. I was only trying to stop the both of them from fighting in this house.
Oh, really? And whose friend was trying to fight me?
Enough. Enough, Queen, enough. This thing is partially your fault. Yes, if you see something going wrong in my house, you call me. Don't start a fight in my house. You have no right to do that. It's not your house. Call me on the phone and tell me. Don't do that because you know me.
Here you go again, Alice.
Do not talk to my husband with such tone. Keep quiet, Queen.
Vera, you keep quiet. This is also partially your fault. If you hadn't brought in ant-infested firewood, lizards will not come to your house to feast.
Alice, hold on. What's the meaning of that?
I wasn't referring to you. I was referring to my wife here, Vera, who brought in her friend Jessica to fight. Hey, women. You people will not kill me, Lie. You will not kill me. I will defeat both of you.
I said it. It has become really obvious. Look at the way he's just supporting her with everything she says. No. It will not happen. Not with me. Alex!
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid of every day.
Alex! Now you have nothing to say to me anymore, right? It's obvious. It's obvious you still have feelings for Queen. That's why you put her son first in everything you do in this house. Don't give me that look. You think I don't know? Alex, I'm talking to you. Why are you making me talk to myself? Do you know how long I've been running mad? Thinking what is going on between the both of you? Alex, I am not a mad woman. I am talking to you. Alex, just know that I have my eyes on the both of you from henceforth. Nothing will escape me. Do you understand me? If you like, walk away, keep quiet, shake your head. Whatever you do, I don't care. He will not make me mad. I am not a mad woman.
Auntie, I've been to Queen's place. I couldn't find her. So I said, let me stop by here to know if she's around.
My dear, as you can see, Queen is not here. And if such a thing happens, she knows fully well that I'll be the one to answer for her sin.
Auntie, listen to me. You don't even know the gravity of what she has done. Do you know what she did? She went to Alex's place to cause a commotion there. Why would she even fight Vera's friend?
I understand you, man. But I don't know what to say here and say it right. Because Queen is not here. I know you are angry. Please, just take it easy on yourself.
I'm not even annoyed. But I'm not trying to think about it. Why would a normal human being go to another man's house to fight the wife's friend? Is that okay? Is that normal?
No, man. If you go from that angle, I will advise you to talk to Alex. To keep his leg one place.
To keep his leg one place?
Yes.
It's obvious I don't have a conversation with you. I wish I met Queen again. That's the person I came to see. I came to take my leave.
Mark, I do not know the angle you're seeing this from. But any woman will do more than what I'm doing right now just to protect her own interest. I don't think I'm doing badly.
Do you think you and your family, you both are both living in peace?
That's the problem. When you're protecting your interest, you become a bad person. Every single step you take is being judged. But the minute you sit there, take everything in like a fool, they clap for you. You're a good woman. You're a virtuous woman. You know what? I am tired. I am done being the good person. It's enough. I'm done.
Just look at the way you sound. I'm very surprised the way you're sounding right now. It's heartbreaking. Why would you even sound this way?
Oh, because you didn't expect me to be that woman who will fight for her rights tomorrow, right?
What right are you even fighting for? Alex is the man here. He's the one that writes his will. He knows what equates each and every one of you. He's not a fool.
That right there is the problem. His will. And that's the reason I am screaming out loud. I am shouting. So that everybody will hear me, because I know that time will surely come. And I know all these things will come up.
Can I tell you something? Have you ever sat down to have a heart-to-heart talk with your husband? Make him see reasons with you. Not every time you try to fight him, make him feel lost for a man, make him feel like he's not doing what's right. Talk to his heart. You are his wife. And in case he didn't even listen to you, it will be noted that you tried talking to him and he didn't listen.
Well, the problem is that Alex has been exhibiting all this attitude for a really long time. It's just that I'm only speaking up now.
This kind of words you say can send a man to his early grave. Alex is a good man. He has a heart that can accommodate each and every one of you.
And am I a bad person for trying to protect my own rights? Tell me.
You should know something. Alex is a rich man. He's from a wealthy family. His money is enough to go around. For you, your sons, and both Daniel. I see no reason why you should be scared or feared or whatsoever.
Well, trust me, I am very afraid. Yes, and this fear comes from the heart of a woman who has seen her husband's love divided amongst his children, favoring only Daniel.
Now listen, let me burst your bubble. Daniel is coming to the house. Yes, and I wouldn't want you to act this way towards him. I want you to show him the love and the care that he deserves. Don't make him feel very left out, or make him feel something bad is going to happen to him in this house.
Well, nothing will happen to him. I'm only just fighting for my son to be put at the forefront as he should be. That's all. Simple.
That is not an issue. Just do well to love him like your son. Alex will do his own part, okay?
But did Daniel complain to you that I don't show him love?
If he didn't complain, why did he leave the house?
Why?
You should love this boy like your own son. Love him unconditionally. Treat him like your own. Don't make him feel left out.
But the truth is, Daniel has a mother. I have my own children. He has a mother who loves him. And I have my children to love. It's as simple as ABC. What you should be doing is advising your friend, because a happy wife is a happy home. Think about it.
I've heard what you said. I will talk to my friend. Do what's right to take care of him as your son, okay?
Man, just let go. Why are you sounding as if you don't know what to do? How am I supposed to? I just got you here. How am I supposed to know what you people discussed? You are the reason why I said I got into this whole mess because my son is being mishandled in his own father's house. And you expect me to keep cool. It's my blood. Well, how are you going to feel if your husband gets to hear about this whole saga? Eh? And who is going to tell you? Be careful, stop going there to fight. I'm not fighting anyone. You're fighting. I'm not scared of them. They should free my son. He is in his father's house.
Always remember that the future comes one at a time. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. 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 Don't destroy yourself.
Babe, what's up? That's the point. That's it. I told you several times, stop being defensive and always be offensive. Do you understand? Yes, use the word from your mouth and attack him. Don't give him space now, girl. What's up with you? Don't give him one single space. Make him no breathe. Choke him. Do you understand? Choke him with everything. Choke him. Insult him. Make him know that you are the woman. Mount your guard now. Own your space as a woman. That's what you should do. Yes, my darling. Yes. Yes. Calm down, my love. Everything will be alright. Trust me. very soon, yourself and your son, you will own everything and then take what belongs to you. And that stupid boy, Daniel, what? Yeah? I don't think he will come back. I do not think so. He can't come back. Now when they tell you now, babe, believe me, everything goes soft. Don't be a soft girl now. Yes. Own your thing. Yeah. Hey. Kita kibia. Ogini. No look at your face. Take a mass in the hot, grab it with all your strength. Yes, my darling. I trust you. You know me now. I'm here for you. What are friends for? If not for inconveniences, I'm here for you. Take your flowers, my darling. No slow down. Try your eye, my girl. Open your eye well. Who do not says, put eye inside your eye. Make come on there. Make could they see blood? You get now? Good girl. My girl. Nice one. Okay, my darling. Yeah, now. Take care. I'm here for you. A phone call away. Okay, darling. Okay, it's okay. All right. Take care of you. All right. Yeah.
Guy, I say no. I say no. 40% is not okay. What are you saying? I've been doing contracts with that ministry for over 10 years. Maybe today matter now. I've done a lot of jobs there. I've worked with the ministry for a very long time. I've been doing contracts there. You know me. Me, I be a correct guy. Once it comes to settling, me, I know all those things. 20%, that's what we give. No contractor gives more than 20% because it doesn't end there. 20 is perfect.
I agree to what you're saying. That 40% is perfect because most companies now, they take 40%. I still know it's why all these companies are becoming so greedy, selfish. They want to make all the money to their pockets.
What for you, guy? You are saying you agree with me at the same time you are saying 40% is okay. Where do you stand? That means you don't agree with me. I'm telling you that 40% is too much. 20 is just perfect. And like I said, it doesn't end there. Once you settle those people, you're still going to give some other small people 5% here, 2% here, 10%. At the end of the day, we'll be working with 40%. Just 40.
Okay. I see reasons with you. I understand what you're saying. But let's just do it for 25%. What do you think? It's still okay. We still have nothing to lose. We still have nothing to still make from this deal. Or do you prefer to give the deal to another person?
I don't want to make little. I want to make plenty of money. When is your next meeting with them?
Tomorrow, precisely.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Beautiful. I will not be there. You will be there, so you have to represent us very well. Insist on 20%. No contractor with that ministry gives more than 20%. Insist. Let them know it's a perfect deal. Okay? They will accept 20%.
I don't have any option. You're the boss. Since you say 20% is it, then that's what I will tell them. If they don't want to accept, they should go away with their deal.
They will accept.
Forgive my manners. How about your wife and the family and everything? And moreover, that winch of a girl that's trying to virus your wife to do crazy and bad things.
Don't bother yourself, bro. Don't bother yourself. See, in a man's life, issues will always come up.
Yeah, of course.
In your family, issues will come up. But as a man, you face those issues and tackle them squarely. Alright?
Yeah.
Don't worry, there's no problem in my home that I cannot handle. So
Right.
don't bother yourself. My wife's fine, family is fine, my son is fine. Don't worry.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
I'm just trying to make sure you're okay.
Don't bother, I'm
So it
fine.
doesn't affect our business and all.
Me. Lie. Nothing can affect my business. Once it comes to money, I have to make money to take care of the family.
Of course.
Don't forget our agreement. 20%. Stick to it. They will agree.
Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy the enemy in this time.
Hi, Alice.
How are you?
Thank you, Dad.
Alice, thank you so much. Please do take care of my son. Watch over him carefully. And you, be a good boy to your dad.
You have to tell him. Let him misbehave now. I'll follow him immediately. You have nothing to worry about. This is his house. Your father's house. In fact, good boy.
Be a good boy. I'll miss you.
Bye, Mom. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
Your mother.
Okay. Bye. How are you?
I'm fine.
I have to be on my way now.
Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. 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 And love it.
Listen to me. Stand there and stop looking like it. Stand there. Henceforth, you better behave yourself. Do you understand me?
Yes, mommy.
That, exactly. I don't want to hear that ever again.
What do you want me to call you, mommy?
Let her not fall off again. Don't you know your mother? At least you've seen your mother. You know what she looks like. Don't you ever in your full life call me that again. Do you understand?
Then, what do you want me to call you, mom? Should I call you auntie?
Whatever. Just don't call me mom, mother, mommy, whatever. You know what? Get out. Now you get the picture. Get out. Get out!
I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of every day wake up with fear.
Can I join you?
Do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not at peace. Every day wake up with
Dad, it is no longer the same mom I used to know. They all hate me like a virus.
Don't worry about that. Don't bother. This is your father's house. It means your father will always be here for you. Okay? Relax.
But why are they avoiding me? I mean, Obina and Princess. Why?
Don't worry about them. Obina and Princess are your siblings. They'll come around soon.
Just wish I have a brother or a sister I can play with you.
Don't say that. Obina and Princess are your siblings. Obina is your brother, Princess is your sister. Like I said before, they will come around.
Dad, you don't seem to understand it. You don't at all.
I don't understand it. That's what you say. Trust me, my son, I understand. Whatever you're passing through right now, I understand. I'm your father. Remember, I have been your age before, but you have never been my age. So trust me, I understand. And believe me when I say that everything will be fine. Okay?
Thank you, Dad.
Calm down.
Where's that useless Daniel?
Mommy is not here.
Any problem?
He didn't do what I asked him to do inside.
Then you go to the kitchen. He'll be there.
Yes.
Mom, please, we are busy.
I see that. Enjoy yourselves.
your imagination is killing you. Cause it's preview of your life.
It's that useless fool! I was even coming to ask you why you useless idiot did not do what I asked you to do upstairs, and then you had still breaking my plate. Are you stupid or useless or both? Which one are you? Animal!
What's the problem?
Nothing. Go back inside. Go now. Hold it right there. Hold it. When your father comes back, if I hear one word about this, I promise I will skin both of you alive. Now, go inside and play. Are you still lying down there? Will you stand up and clean up this mess? Idiot.
Don't destroy this enemy in disguise. Don't destroy yourself.
Boy, how are you? What about your siblings?
They are fine, Dad.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yes. Oh.
Honey.
How are you?
I'm good.
What's wrong with him?
I wouldn't know. Maybe he's had some squabbles with his sibling. You know how kids are. Come on, honey, let's go inside.
All right, let's go.
Hey, Danny.
Ma.
Run to the kitchen. Remove the bowl of soup from the fridge. Then wash the pot by the sink, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Hurry. Also get your father a glass of water.
Yeah, I need it.
Daddy.
How are you? Good, how are you?
Fine, sir.
What do you say?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good, what do you say?
Good afternoon, sir.
That reminds me. I got something for all of you. Take this. Take my car key. Go to the car. Where is it? Where did I keep it? Front seat, passenger side. You see it back there, bring it. Go.
Gently, no running. So how did it go?
Stressful. Stressful, but fine. I missed you though.
I did more.
We have something to discuss later. In the bedroom.
At night.
You have it?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Good. Sit. Okay. Daniel. Come. Alright, this is for you.
Thank you, Dad.
Fresh son, so you always get fresh and for you.
Thank you, Dad.
And then this is for you.
What are you doing sitting? Go and finish what you were doing in the kitchen.
Are you done with what you're doing?
Not yet.
Go ahead, go and continue.
Thank you, Dad.
Hey, sit down. Stay here and eat what I gave to you. Open your... Open it up, okay?
Dad, I don't understand this anymore. Why is Obina, Princess, and Mother reacting this way? I don't like it.
Don't bother yourself about the way they're reacting. Ignore them. It's not everything you worry about. You are growing to become a man. As a man, you must learn this. Learn to ignore certain things. Don't react to everything. You will die before your time. Ignore them. While I was away, did anything happen?
I don't know, Dad. Please, I want to see my mother tomorrow.
I thought we've gone past this. I'm your father. If you need anything, let me know. I'll give it to you.
Dad, I want to see my mother tomorrow. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Daniel, will you come back here? Get back here. No matter how upset you are about anything, you do not walk out on your father. That is disrespectful. Did you hear me? Don't do it again. Is that clear?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Son, you're not making any sense. I don't get it.
Mom, you need to understand me because I am making sense. What I am saying is that I have had enough maltreatment from the wicked woman.
Which wicked woman are you talking about?
Stop acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Obina's mother.
Not again.
Yes, again, Mom. I need to leave before someone kills me.
You know what? I don't care about your opinion anymore. You're coming with me. Come.
Where is that wicked witch? Where is she? Vera, where are you?
Where are the dogs barking from?
You are the dog. Wicked witch.
Oh.
Can you see yourself? You're not even ashamed of yourself that your madness has gotten to the extent of you not hiding it from a little boy. Are you normal?
Let me ask you one simple question. Did you try to even visit the hospital before coming here? Because you need a doctor, darling. Just from a very good place, I'm telling you. Come on. It's only a mad person that will bark like this, a mad dog, barking woof, 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 woof everywhere. Why not just go and help yourself? Help yourself. Go see a doctor. Let them diagnose you to know what your problem is. Because only a mad woman will leave her house and come to another woman's house to come and rant. Your place is at the center of the market and not in my living room.
Vera, you're pushing me. You are pushing me.
Okay.
If not for Alice, I would have shown you how mad people behave. I would have given you the beating of your life.
Heavyweight champion.
You see that boy? This special son, if you ever lay your filthy hands on him or say any harsh word towards him again, you will see the other side of me. I promise you that. I came prepared if you don't know.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah, I'm very scared. Please don't kill me.
Exactly how you people behave. Wicked witch, that is how they behave in your covens. I know you people.
Because you're a member and you usually go there. That's how you know how they behave. You see? I told you you're mad. You need help. Seriously. You do need help. When you're done ranting, see yourself out.
This is crazy.
You must be very stupid. I know where your jealousness is coming out from. Because it's the first son, right? I know your plan. You want to kill him so that your son will take over his father's properties. But it will never work. It will not work, not under my watch. I came prepared. Try it next time. You'll see the other side of me. Idiot. Wicked witch. You. This is your father's house. I don't want you to be afraid. Take a deep breath, okay? Nothing will happen to you. I'm standing beside you all the time. She will never, ever do anything to you. Trust me on that.
Mommy, I'm ready to go with you now.
You want to go with me?
Yes.
Let's go. Stupid people.
Ha. Queen, overheard your voice while I was stepping in. Why are you ranting?
Me ranting?
Good afternoon, Daniel.
Well, if you must know, I'm taking my son home.
Come, where are you going with this bag?
I want to go with my mom.
The father called me. He said he wanted to see me. Here I am, I'm taking him home. Let's go.
What language are you guys even speaking?
She has been maltreating me in my own father's house. That is why I want to go with my mother and live in peace.
Listening.
You heard him clearly, right?
I'm listening.
So if you're in my shoes, what do you expect me to do? Leave him here so that they will kill him?
You can't just come and drag him from the house when my friend isn't back yet.
Really?
It's wrong.
So I should leave him here? They will not murder him for me. Is that what you're saying? That's the best thing to do? Hey, I'm a mother, okay? My husband and I, we have a beautiful home that will accommodate him. So he's coming with me. And nobody's stopping me.
Well, you are entitled to do whatever you want, trust me. But you should understand that that's what the boy wants you to believe.
So Vera, I've practically become too small for you to notice.
Oh. Welcome, Mac.
I really don't know what came over you, Vera. You've suddenly changed. You're like a total stranger. For how many years of marriage? What came over you?
Mac, have I ever done anything to you personally? Tell me. So why are you quick to judge me? Why are you quick to believe whatever you hear from people? At least ask me if it's true or not. Then you can take your decision. Come on.
Listen to me. It's not in my position to tell whether you are lying or not. You have to wait till my friend comes back. He's the one that will solve this issue right now.
Let's go. Let's go. Anyway, I'm just giving you a very small advice to always, do not judge people before you take your decision. I'm just saying, listen to them first.
Happy to take my leave.
Always running. Whatever. Now I have the whole house to myself.
Hey, what did you do to my son? What did you do to my son? Huh? I'm asking you a question. Don't welcome me. What did you do to my son? Where's my son?
Your son, I believe you already have an answer to that because you were the one who called Queen.
And what did Queen tell you?
Last time I checked, you're not friends. She didn't tell me anything.
I'm asking you a question. What did you do to my son? Where is my son? I left my son here for you to take care of. Where is he? What did you do to him? Or what? Let me ask the... Don't cut me when I'm talking. Oh, don't. What did my son do to you that warranted what you did to him? Tell me.
It baffles me how you will believe a child over an adult. Why? I didn't do anything to him.
Are you crazy? You hit my son. You slapped him and he hit his head on whatever in the kitchen. Now he's being treated in the hospital for a head injury.
What? Honey, that's a really big accusation. And I wonder why they will lie against me.
Are you mad? Don't push me, oh. That boy is my blood. Do not push me.
So because of that nitwit, you slapped me? For what?
You call me? What did you call?
Alex, you went too far. Do you know you almost got your wife killed?
If she dies, let her die now. Everybody will rest.
No, Alex, don't sound this way. You are sounding like a total stranger. It's as if I don't even know you.
You will not understand. You will not understand. You know, men don't talk. You just try to, ignore certain things, but women will keep pushing you. I've had it up to here with her.
But just look at it. She's now hospitalized. What are you going to do?
She'll stay there. Yes, let her remain there, hospitalized. She'll be receiving treatment. Maybe while she's there, her brain will balance and she'll remember who she used to be. Return to that person that I used to know. If not, this is just the beginning.
Here. So, Vera, look at where your good woman has landed you. In the hospital. Oh yeah. Your husband panabit you land in the hospital because you are married in Aludi. Who is that man? They never born him. Omoma. Onesi me, Jesse. One useless thing will now push me, although the possible. Hey? Here!
What would you have me do?
You are asking me, what would I have you do, Imoma? My sister, mount your ground. Gather your things. No grief or nonsense. Declare war. Make your points clear and crystal. Like, let it be plain. What is it? You have a son and a daughter for your husband. You have secured the territory now. Nobody can ask you out of your house. So please, mount it, gather it, and guard it with your life. Okay, what is this? Just imagine. See my friend though, with your fine skin.
You're very, very correct.
Oh, I'm always right.
As soon as I leave this hospital, it's going to be war.
Bam! That's it.
And if that useless, stupid, disgusting, nonsensical queen comes near me, she will be the first to go down.
Good! That is the song of war I want to hear now. Drum of war. This is you. This is my friend speaking. I'm behind you. I do your back, Gidigba. Nothing they happen. Nothing bigger. I'm you understand? I'm here. I'm a friend now. What are friends for?
Yeah.
Hey, just imagine my fine friend though. See your skin.
I'm getting better.
You will get better. Sorry. Oh, is it how I used? Sorry, no? So sorry. You'll be fine. The devil is a liar. They cannot kill you.
Vera, why have you refused the advice of your mother? When did you get to this level?
Mother, have you come to console me or add salt to my wound?
I've come to add salt to your wound, if that is what you call it. Makadama Zundera. I did not train a mad child.
Is that why he will beat me to this extent? Beat me to the point of death? Is he a madman who does this to his own wife?
You should have learned to keep your mouth. Because if you did not blab it, he will not beat you.
Mother, if your husband beat you up the way my husband just beat me up, I don't think he would have given birth to me. Mother, please, where are my kids? Why are they not here? Mother, you sent for me.
Yes, Vera. I sent for you so that you can apologize to your husband. Let him forgive you for your wrongdoings.
What did I do wrong? Because I was fighting for my children. Who will not apologize to me for this one?
You need no apologies. And the fight you're fighting, you're not supposed to be fighting it. Because this family is large enough. They are wealthy enough that inheritance will be given to your children. So you have to apologize to him. You do not deserve his own apologies. There won't be a bullying.
So what you're trying to say now is that I should keep quiet while everything is being given to another person.
Nobody is receiving anything without your children being involved. Do you hear me, Vera? Nobody will receive anything without your children being involved. Everybody will get their portion as they deserve. Do what I said. He's on his way. Now.
I'm sorry, my husband, for everything. It won't happen again.
Promise him sincerely that a change will be seen. A change will be seen. Say that.
A change will be seen in me. It will not happen again. I promise.
Go closer. Go closer. Do it the way African women do it to their husband. Go closer.
Mother, I am scared for my life. I have not recovered.
Vera, I said go closer.
Mother, if anything happens to me, will you bear the responsibility?
Yes, I am your mother. I will bear it. Go closer. Closer. Closer.
My husband, I'm sorry for everything that happened. It will not happen again. I promise.
I know. Please don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Alice, you're welcome.
Thank you.
That's why you came to my house unannounced. What if I went to my auntie's place? Because you know I usually stay there.
Well, today you didn't go. My calculation was right. G, let's go.
No, Daddy, please. I want to stay for the remaining time. I cannot go back there, please.
Alice, what's going on?
Let me stay here for the remaining time.
Obina's grandma is around. Guy, pack your stuff. Let's go.
No, I cannot go, Daddy, please. Let me stay here, please. Just for remaining time, please.
You know school will resume soon, right? You know that.
I can be going from here, or I go to the V school and continue from there.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Oh, well. Thank you. See you guys.
Alright, bye. Listen, you have to go back.
Mommy, I'm going through a lot in that house. I'm going through a lot there. I cannot go back home. Like, if you see the way this woman used to use me to... Mommy, I don't think so.
Daniel, I understand, okay? It's your father's house. It's your house. You're not running away from there. You are going there tomorrow. Your father will look after you. I'm always here for you, okay? Hey!
Okay, Mommy.
Come on, Cheryl. Come here, give me a hug.
My daughter Queen, I understand this whole thing is not your fault. But please, you have a role to play. To play as the mother of Daniel.
Honestly, Mom, ever since his father came, I have been persuading Daniel to go back to his father's house. But he keeps on saying he's not ready yet.
Hey! Who knows what Vera would have done to this child? Who knows how much he has scared him to make him refusing to go to his father's house? Why has my daughter changed this much?
Frankly speaking, Vera's change of character baffles me. Honestly. I mean, I know Alice. Alice doesn't joke with his children. He's someone that can do anything. He can go out of his way to make sure that his kids are okay. If Vera had come into this family with her own children, this case would have been different. It could have been understood. But as it is, I don't know.
I understand. I understand very well. And I will make things right. That is the reason I came. I will not leave the first city where I live with my husband, leave my business and come here. Come to this city and things will not be put in order. I will surely put things in order before I leave. That is an assurance.
And I pray so. Because Alice is the one suffering all of this.
I understand. Manabiko, help me talk to Daniel. Talk to him, let him come back to his father's house. You know? Only.
I will try. I'll try my best.
As for Vera, I will make sure she comes around. She will turn back to the real Vera I gave birth to and not this one I'm seeing now.
It's alright, Mom. So, what will I offer you? You say you don't want anything?
It
doesn't matter. At least even if it's water.
You needed to see his face. He was waiting for me to cry and beg and apologize. I did because my mother asked me to.
Sincerely? Why would your mom ask? Sweetheart, that you were getting big. I do not like it. You didn't dull me now. What's your plan? Why are you dulling me? Babe, this is not fair. You take it by violence. Take it by force. Don't look at your face.
And why are you antagonizing my child? Go on. I was actually enjoying the conversation.
Good afternoon, ma.
What is good about the afternoon?
I was already on my way out, ma, before you came in. Yes, ma.
Looking at the glass of drink is not done, which means it's not too long you came.
That's not true, ma. I've been here for hours. So, right? I've been here for so long. We were discussing, catching up, and then I forgot to take my drink. It's not like I didn't want to take it. I've been here for so long, ma. Yeah, I had an emergency, so I have to go now.
Yeah, just you. Okay.
Yes.
Take care.
Okay.
See you. We'll
Please take care, Mama.
Yeah, of course.
Give her food.
Yeah.
Mama,
Yeah, sure.
you're welcome, ma. Excuse me.
Have I not told you I don't want to see this girl around you? She's not good enough for you.
Mom, Jessica is my best friend, my one and only friend. Yes, clap for yourself.
Jessica is my best friend, my one and only friend. Get yourself married women and make them your friends, not single ladies. Your husband is young, rich, and handsome.
Well, I will definitely put a sign out there for married women to come for interview, and probably you will interview them so they can be my friends. As for my husband, Jessica is not that kind of woman who will go after another woman's husband. So trust me, she's been my friend for ages and she's still my friend and nothing will change that. Okay, Mom?
Or put it on your back. Write it. But whichever way you do it, get married women as friends for yourself.
Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy this enemy in this enemy. Don't destroy yourself. You wait no be trust in the Don't destroy you wait no be trust in the
I told you to work. I told you our 20% offer will work, didn't I tell you?
Huh? My man, I was surprised. You read Junior also, my bro.
Yes, sir.
See, we are all so confident, telling them that yes, I'm sticking to 20%, let's do it this way. And they believe in me.
Good. I told you. I have done this for more than 10 years. I've worked for the ministry. Nobody takes more than 20%. Yes. And that's life. In life, you have to stick to your guts. Whatever anybody tells you, somebody can say 100%, 200%, that's your business. Stick to that thing you want. Don't let anybody shake you and you'll achieve it.
My man, if I don't stick to your plan now, how do we even get... My man, you're a genius. I must say you're a genius.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate that.
It's God. It's God.
It wasn't easy at first, but thank God.
Confirm.
Yeah. But another thing, this one your wife is troubling you, giving you headache. How would you be able to focus on this new project?
This guy, I've told you before, nothing can affect me when I'm doing business. Never. Don't worry about my wife. My wife gives me issues, yes, all that, but it's normal with women. I'm always focused on business, alright? Nothing can make me lose focus. It's not possible. I've told you before. Yes, my wife gives issues. She keeps acting like someone who's having some mental problem. I don't know what's wrong with her. But no matter what, I will handle it, right? That's what makes me a man. It's not too much for me.
Because I was of the opinion we should see like a prophet or a seer or somebody like that can check into this thing for us. Let's know what's wrong with her at least.
When they have fake prophets and fake prophetesses are everywhere. If you can find a good one, fine, but these days to get a good one, many of them are fake. All they do is just to tell you stories, tell you all sorts of lies and get money from you, that's all.
You have a point too, because one of our uncles was telling me the way one prophet extorted money from him, telling him all sort of lies, even blame his father in the village that it was the cause of his problem. As in, they drained down my uncle mentally.
That's it, man. That's their way. That's all they do. They end up causing more problems for you. But I'll fix it. It's my home. I'll fix it. Don't worry.
Okay, if you say so, I believe in you. You've already proven yourself now. So I believe you can take care of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy. Finally, we got this project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get going.
Alright.
Yeah. Maybe this evening we could celebrate or something.
Sure, nah, definitely. You know me now. Go club now.
Your opinion doesn't matter. If they don't care about you, your mother is here for you. Alright?
Okay, Mommy.
One more thing. I want you to know that you are the first son of this family. There is nothing anybody will do about it. They can't change it. So be a man, comport yourself. Do not be afraid. This is your father's house. No one is taking it away from you. Okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Alright, go in.
This is the actor. See? But I'm shooting the money.
No matter how I look at this game from now till tomorrow, I will not understand anything. In our time, it's where we used to play, no swear.
No, what is
The one they do like this. They will draw it.
Okay. That one they used to count.
No, they don't used to count it. You will draw lines. Then you'll be, if your leg match on the line, you are failed.
Oh.
That kind of thing.
Yes.
Daniel, are you deaf? Didn't you hear me call you?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Now follow me. Come help out in the kitchen immediately. How?
You have a female child in the house who needs to be taught on how to cook.
Mom,
go and call her.
What do you mean how? What do you actually mean how?
I will beat you.
I only
put your hand on your body and relax.
Mother, I simply asked him to come help out in the kitchen. What's so wrong with that?
Nothing, no.
Good.
There's nothing wrong. I say teach your child, Princess, the female in this house, how to be an African woman. Can't teach her how to cook. Leave Daniel here.
Grandma, please.
Mother, Princess is already in the kitchen. And she's learning really fast. Now, Daniel is the first child in this house. That's what you all said. He's grown, so let him come help out in the kitchen. That way, it will be quicker. So what's wrong with it?
He has been helping since Okuya. Today, let him enjoy himself. Take your phone and play your game. Go and continue the cooking with Princess. Vera! Get out. Go and continue your cooking. Come on. I'm talking to you. You're going inside. Alana, buddy, come here. Vera! Vera! Nonsense. I am here. And I promise to make things right. You should not body get down.
Mama, I don't like this thing. Why are you always making us to work these days?
I will say so.
Since you came, Grandma, we've been doing most of the work that Daniel is supposed to do. Why?
Yes.
Princess, you were a female gender like me. And very soon, you'll become a woman.
Grandma, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? You are doing all the work that Dan is supposed to be doing in this house.
Obinna, this time around, all hands on deck. Everybody will get their own portion of work to do. All the chores will not be left for Daniel, your elder brother, alone.
Daniel is not my elder brother.
Shut up! Uchiologi. Uchiya, before I help you to close it myself. Daniel is not your elder brother. Between Obinna and Daniel, who is the oldest?
Grandma, this is not fair.
Shut up. Shut it and go into the kitchen and finish the duties I asked you to do. Move. And mind you, next time I will use scale on you.
I swear my mother is making my life difficult. And she's made my home a living hell. I don't know what else to do. Help me.
Well, I'm not surprised. Yes. Because from the very first time you told me that your mother was coming to your house, to this house, I knew that you were in for a big trouble. Like, very big trouble, a huge one. I just knew it.
Bigger problem? My mother has given Daniel the upper hand, thereby subjecting my children under him. My own children. What kind of a mother does that?
No, this does not sound nice. This does not smell well. It doesn't make any kind of sense. Come on. What is this? No, now, my dear, you have just by yourself now washed your hands and made a very sweet for her and Ogbono for Daniel to eat in your own house.
Forbid bad
Oh,
thing.
that's it.
Jessica, what do I do now? Help me now. Help your friend. What do I do?
Okay, first things first. You must find a way for your mother to leave this house. Yes, so you can take back the wheels. Then you sit down on your chair and control things. Yes, you have to. You don't have a choice.
I leave this house. Jessica, think of another plan. My husband gave her a huge amount of money a couple of days ago. Even got her some really nice dresses and wrappers. Trust me, my mother is not going anywhere anytime soon.
Meaning what?
She has come to stay.
Oh.
Jessica, help me now. Don't be quiet. Help me.
I'm trying to think. Okay, fine. You know now, trust me. Solution bringer. Problem solver. You know? That's me.
I know.
So I know what we will do.
Really?
Yes, my girl, trust me. I did for you 100%.
Thank you.
Don't worry now.
Thank you so much.
Let's check our plan.
Yes.
Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy this enemy in this time.
Jessica, you've not told me where we're going to. I hope it's not a native doctor's place because, trust me, I do not want to shed blood or even kill anyone.
Please, come on. I cannot kill anybody too. It's nothing like that, please.
That's fine. So where are we going to?
Are you scared?
A little bit, yes.
Why are you? I mean, why not wait for us to get there first? Then you see things and hear things for yourself, right?
Well, the sound of that scares me.
Really? Okay, do you want to go back to your house?
That's not what I meant.
Then what do you mean? If it's not what you meant, then let's go. You are keeping her waiting. I don't get it.
Where are we?
Vera, enough of your questions now. We are here at the place.
I don't understand this whole thing again.
What don't you understand? Sometimes you act like a child. I don't get it. This is it. The same thing you do in your house. Today you are cold, tomorrow you are hot, and then you are being indecisive. What is your problem? Listen, I brought you here to conquer your fears and make you the woman to be feared. Do you understand? What is it? Now, let me ask you again. Are you ready to go in with me or not?
Vera.
Lead the way.
Not as much.
Anybody home?
You're welcome to my temple, Pharaoh Ezekiel. I'm Messiah. I want to clear your mind and show your fears to you. I see yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
How do we go about it?
Dip your finger into the water and you will see your future and how it will be.
Why my future?
Just listen to the seer.
Why your future? It's because that's what you're scared of. You don't know what your husband will do over Danny and Obina when the time comes. So dip your finger into the water.
Okay, one finger.
Come here. Yes. Come on. Come here, you. You see? Get down. I said, get down. Listen. No one is coming to save you today. Yes.
What did I do to you, Daniel?
Oh, you're asking me.
What did I do to you?
Eh.
If you want to show your power, go out there and meet your mates now. It's because my children are not around.
Even if they were around, what would they have done? I'm asking you. Nobody's coming to save you. By the time I'm done with you, all that you did to me, by the time I'm done with you today, you will see.
Daniel.
Yes.
Daniel, this is wickedness.
Wickedness.
This is wickedness.
Go down on your knees. Go down.
Why will you put an old woman?
Go down on your knees. I said, go down on your knees. Go down. Go down. Go down.
The way Daniel treated me today was so bad. As if I'm a thief that stole his phone. Why will he raise his hands on me? Why? An old woman like me.
Daniel, because you observed that nobody was at home. That's why you have the guts to beat up my mom, right?
Oh, shut up.
Right? We should see about that, don't worry.
Hey boy, you should stop ranting.
I'm ranting.
Okay? What can you do?
Did you hear him?
I ask again, what can you do?
So because we're inside the house now, you have mouth to talk. Let's go outside. Let me face you man to man.
Listen to me. Listen to me, kid bro. If you put body, you go collect. You go collect. But for now, I'll just act calm. Okay? So shut up.
You heard him boasting my husband. It's because you are supporting him. That is why he keeps repeating it. You are supporting this boy so much.
Vera, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? You came to complain to me over something. And you came with your soldiers. And you expect Daniel to keep quiet when his younger ones are insulting him.
They are now insulting him. But I am here telling you what he did to me. You keep quiet. You didn't say anything. You are here reading your newspaper. Is it good, my husband?
You came to tell me to complain what he did to you with your soldiers, with your armies. That's okay. That is very much good. But I want to tell you this now. You can see I'm an old man who wants to live. Or do you want me to die now? I want to live my life quietly the way I'm living it now.
Yes.
These children will not kill me. I am not the only father or that have a family. They will not kill me. I want to still live. So they are fighting only through their mouth. They are talking. They are not fighting with hands. So it is normal in every family. Child. So my own is not different.
You're not going to die.
Child.
You shall live, Dad.
Hi. No. Child. Oh my God. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done?
You did everything bad. And you deserve what is happening to you right now. Yes. You did everything wrong. Remember, I told you that you are going to pay dearly for your sins. Right? So you should avoid God in this case. If you want to call God, you kneel down and pray to him, then he will answer you. But calling him in this case, I can personally tell you that God is not going to answer you. Excuse me.
Dad, can you hear him?
Daniel, you're a fool.
Can you hear him?
A big fool.
No?
Empty vessel.
It's obvious that he's taking side of it.
Exactly.
He don't want to talk anything. But I know what to do. I know what to do. No problem. Let's go inside. I know what to do.
Father, this thing you're doing in this house is unfair. Malice is going. This thing is not fair. It's not fair, Papa. Ha!
Want me to die untimely death because of your stupid children? No, I will not die.
Wow. You mean you landed safely? So you mean you're in the US now? Oh my God, congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Hold on, I'm going to call you back shortly, okay?
Daniel, are you ready to start the battle you started yesterday with my mother?
And what is the meaning of this?
It's a payback time for what you started.
Daniel, every single thing you did to our mother yesterday, you're going to receive double of it from us right now.
Okay, fine and good. It's a welcome idea. Go on and show me what you got.
You're supposed to be on your knees begging us right now.
Me?
And you're bragging.
Be on my knees?
Daniel, you think I'm here to joke?
Listen to me. And I believe in action and I believe in words.
Think we're here to play, right? You think what?
Yes, sit down.
Anyway.
I have been waiting since I came back for you to tell me how your children attacked Daniel with their weapons.
Oh, he told you?
Yes, he told me. Because if it was Daniel that attacked your children or did anything other wrong thing, by now in this house, I would have been gone.
I have been telling you that since. What have you done? Nothing. Only to protect him all the time.
Is that what you're saying?
Of course. But I'm saying the truth.
Vera, do not cry calling my name or coming to me to report any other problem in this house. If an issue comes up again, do not come to me. Manage it yourself.
Nah, sometimes I don't know how you behave. I'm telling you honestly. Sometimes I don't know how you behave. I am telling you that your son beat your wife mercilessly. All you could do is to protect him, defend him. Why?
Yes, because you have planned with your children to always look for his trouble. And definitely, he must protect himself. Enemies.
Did he tell you that he brought that dagger from his waist to finish my children?
Yes, he told me.
He told you?
He told me.
Oh, it's a very good idea, isn't it?
Is it a very good idea? Yes, it is a good idea because he was protecting himself. Though I warned him against it.
Why will you warn him? You would have not. Why will you warn him? You would have ordered him to kill everybody in the house so that he will remain alone in this house. You are warning him. Why?
Vera.
Good man.
You can go. You are true. I'm done with you. You can go.
This is how you protect. You keep peace in your house.
Vera, if you want to live in pieces with the children, go ahead. For me, I will live the way. Nobody will kill me in this house because I did not kill my parents for any reason, no matter what they did. What kind of a woman are you?
Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. A loving heart is the trust wisdom.
What is it, Daniel? Why are you blocking my way?
Have you forgotten so soon, ma'am? We had an agreement. Yes.
Wishes.
You mean you've forgotten so soon? Oh, come on, ma'am. You need to stop pretending. Honestly, it doesn't suit you. Yes. Anyways, you promised to give me 50,000 naira. Yes. Have you forgotten?
Okay, fine. I will give you the money. I'll give you the money later. Okay?
No way. I want it now. Right now!
I said I don't have it now. I will give you later. Eh?
And I said no. No way. I need the money right now.
The money I have given it to my children.
Really? You see? That is it. And that is where Daniel becomes bad. You've proven to me once more that it's always about your children. You always place them above me. But you know what? It's okay.
Daniel, what kind of embarrassment is this? Huh?
When you get the money, you have this.
I said I will give you the money. I will add bonus.
And I said I want it now. Yes, I want it now. Listen, it's more like you're not ready for this. So get the money, you get your car keys.
Daniel,
Otherwise,
give me the car keys now. Oh, give me the car keys.
You want the car keys? Sorry, ma'am. Come get it.
You are embarrassing me, Daniel.
Excuse me.
This boy collected car key from me.
Your imagination is killing you.
When this number is not connected.
Mother, what happened? You didn't go out again.
I don't know why Daniel has chosen to be a thorn on my flesh in this house.
What? Daniel? What did he do, Mom?
He collected the car key from me because I have not given him the money I promised him.
What nonsense! How dare he?
What is wrong with that boy? Eh? What gave him the right to seize your car key? I don't understand. As what? Your husband or your father? What is wrong with him?
Obina should come back. When your father comes back,
I'll report it.
Mama, just leave him, I beg. Leave him. Let him do whatever he wants. What is it now? This insult is getting too much.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Ha!
Collected my khaki.
Look with the fear I'm waiting.
I don't know.
This insult is too much, Mama. We need to do something about this thing. It's too much. Ha! What is all this?
Daniel! 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 Daniel, what has come over you? How you seize my mom's car key? Why?
Oh, car key. This. She sent you to come get it, okay? Come have it then. I'm no fear.
Daniel, do you realize that this is your own father's wife? Do you realize that?
Look at who's talking about respect.
Just look at the way you were shouting my name, screaming as if you want to bring down this building. Talking about respect, you! Anyways, come get the car keys. Take.
Daniel, it's not as if I'm scared of you, it's just respect, oh. It's just respect, I'm just respecting you. It's just respect. Don't worry, man.
Come get the car keys. No fear. Eh? Look at who's talking about respect. Listen, bro. I believe in action than I believe in words. Okay? No, come back. Come get the keys. Bro. Let me teach you how to respect your elders. And no fear. Can you just imagine? Shouting and screaming my name. Daniel. Come on, I get you, bro.
Your imagination is killing you. 'Cause it's preview of your life coming attraction. Always remember that the future comes one at a time. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy.
You have not done anything concerning what I told you on phone earlier today, my husband.
I'm sorry about that. But I told him to return the key immediately.
If he did, I wouldn't have been here. This insult is getting out of hand. Why will my husband keep calm? Is he equally afraid of him? Or is he pretending and supporting him because he loves him so much? Okay, don't worry. Everything will soon end. Everything will soon end.
I cannot have my peace.
You never cautioned him of what he did. Eh?
Did you tell me that you had a business with him that did not pay him?
My husband, will that give him the guts to block my way and collected my car key and stop me from where I was going? Huh?
The most important thing now is that you have your car key with you. And also I've promised him that I'm going to pay him the money you're owing him so that peace will reign. What else do you want me to do for you? Or do you want me to take a knife, cut off his head, put on a tray for you to be happy? Is that what you want me to do?
You are the one spoiling this boy. That is why he keep misbehaving. You are spoiling this boy. It's not good.
The children you're backing, I can see how well you're doing with them. I can see how well you are doing with them.
Now listen to me and listen very good, both of you. I, Daniel, I am the head of this family. And whatever I say, stands.
Says who? Obinna, my brother, is the head of this family. Yes.
Wait, did you just talk back at me? No. Did I hear you very well? Listen to me, princess. If you don't like it, go to the nearest transformer and guess what? Kiss it. Yes!
Daniel! Because you're the head boy in your school doesn't mean you're the head of this house. See, better respect yourself. If you want to claim seniority, then you go to your mother's house.
One more word from you. I swear, I'll cut off your mouth. Yes, I will cut your mouth shut for you, so you don't have to mention my mother again.
What will you do? And what will you do?
How dare you?
Daniel, what will you do?
How dare you?
If you dare me now, I'll beat you here, right there, right now.
You do what?
You do what? Get your phone.
You do what? What would you do? Yes, I'm asking you. What are you going to do to me?
Daniel, if I were to enter you, it go be like saying a caterpillar jam you. Try it. Do your worst.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Look at the two of you cannot even stand one person. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You shameless fools.
Just repeat that again. That we can't face you. Can you challenge me, Daniel?
Show him.
Look at him.
Show him.
Look at him.
Show him.
Right, get out of here.
Not dare me.
I said get out of here.
Then I'll beat you here, right there, right now.
Do your worst.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at him. Eh? I claim one finish cow. Can you imagine?
Show me your strength. Show me your strength. Just dare me.
Do your worst.
I don't know where it all came out from. Daniel, he's the senior in this house. And I want all of you to respect him as that. There's nothing any of you can do to change it. It is how God fashioned it from the beginning, and nothing can happen against that. So please, let me have peace in this house. Obin, are you hearing me?
But Dad, Daniel doesn't act like the senior.
Yes. All because I wasn't subjected under you to become your slaves, just the way your mother planned it.
How dare you bring my mother into this matter? How dare you? Have you lost it?
How dare you talk to me like that in front of her father? How dare you?
Daniel, respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Obina, why are you so stupid and stubborn? Daniel is your senior brother. I have said that several times. I have said that severally in this house. He is your senior brother. And do you not fight him in any cause? Do not. Are you hearing me? Will sit down. Sit down quick. Daniel, sit down. I don't want to see you do that again in this house. Are you hearing me? If you have any quarrel or any case with him, come and tell me. I will solve the matter. Obinna, I don't exactly understand what is happening in this house. Can I not come back to this house and have peace once in my life? Or is it wrong that I have you as my children?
Obinna, I'm not in support of this one. No.
Wait a minute, are you being serious right now? Have you forgotten our agreement? Why are you backing up right now?
Obinna, I've changed my mind. I don't want to be a party to this particular plot.
Come on, princess. Why are you scared? We plotted this thing out smoothly. There's no trace.
I said no. No.
Really?
Yes. Huh.
Tombi, see, the plan is going on smoothly. So you have nothing to be afraid of, okay?
Obinna, do you know what you're about to do? Eh? Do you know what you're about to do? Obinna, I won't be a party to this particular plot. Period. Huh.
Princess! Women. Just little plan. You just... Oh, God.
Why would you want to do such a thing? Don't try it, it's not good.
Mom, what are you talking about? What thing?
Princess told me everything.
Princess told you everything?
Yes.
Everything?
Yes.
Like what?
Why would you want to poison Daniel's food? No. Things are not done like that. Don't even think of it. Eh? Why would you take a life that you cannot give?
But Mom, is it not better if you just die and just end everything up than to cause problem every day?
No. Your father will rain thunder us. Please.
The way you always rain thunder and stone, supporting him. I'm tired of this whole thing.
My son, please, don't think of that, okay? Please.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. It should never happen again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Promise.
Let me go get something for you guys.
Your imagination is killing you. Cause it's preview of your life coming attraction.
Daniel.
Dad.
You will have to apologize to my wife in front of everybody.
Well, Dad, it's okay. I'm going to apologize. But before that, I would like to know why she walked up to where I was eating and threw away my food. Yes.
You're right somehow. Exactly. Tell us why you threw away his food. Tell us.
Father must still be pushed around with questions. Daniel here should apologize to my mother so we can move on. You're the man of the house. You should act like one.
But...
Well, Dad, like I said earlier, I am going to apologize. But before then, I insist that I know why she threw away my food.
I think I'm in support. Tell us why you threw away the food. It's important.
Why is it difficult for someone to answer?
That is not difficult at all.
Then she should go ahead and tell us why.
Tell us.
Try to be a man.
Am I a woman? Tell us why, because you have something in mind. Why did you throw away the food? It's very important.
It's a simple question that demands a simple answer.
I'm a man. Am I a woman before? I'm a man of the house. Have you not people settled so we can go inside?
Dad! We are going to settle this so well. Yes. Except they choose to stay in there forever. They struck first. Yes. So we are going to settle it very fine. You have nothing to worry about, Dad.
You are the one that caused it, Daniel.
How dare you? How dare you? One more word from you.
Daniel, hold it.
One more word from you, and I'll start with you.
Vera, go inside.
Unbelievable, my husband.
I say go inside.
Is that all you have to say? Vera, go inside. Is that all? Hey.
Because somebody will die here. Go inside.
Vegetable man.
Go inside. Go. No. Come out, and don't touch her. I've told you, I'm going to settle this matter. So why are you still ranting? Why are you still in this state?
Dad, you have nothing to worry about. Dad, you should know I believe in action than I believe in words. You know this, Dad. You have nothing to worry about. So you go in there and relax. I'm going to settle this my own way. By the time I'm done with you all in this house, you will know why my father gave me the estate. Yes. I'm so gonna deal with you all. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. Yeah, what's happening? I'm coming for you all. I'm coming for you all. Idiots! No, you should come back and fight me in my father's house. Listen, let me tell you, I told you all before that I believe in action more than I believe in words. Fools! This is my father's house. This is where I belong. Come back here. Let me release this bullet from you. Fools! Ah!
Mark, my brother, I wish you were here to experience what I have been seeing in my family. It has not been easy. Mark, the worst has happened. Well, Daniel has chased Vera and her children are out of the house. At least let me have peace. There is nothing I can do. All I need is peace of mind. Excuse me. Is that my Vera?
How many times have I warned you never to step your foot into this compound again?
Please, allow me to see my husband, please.
Why are you proving stubborn? Why?
I don't have any strength for fight now. Please, I just want to see my husband.
So after I warned you never to step your foot into this compound, you had the guts to come in here and you're even asking me where he is. Okay? Huh?
Alex! Alex, my husband! Ale!
Now, get out.
Ale!
At the count of 3, if you don't get out, I'm going to show you what I'm made of. 1,
Ale, Wagoma.
2, 2.5.
Daniel, what is it?
Dad, can you please ask this woman what she's here to do? Ask her why she is here.
My wife? Or don't you know that she's my wife?
Oh, really? I never knew so. Well,
I am not disputing the fact that she is your wife, Dad. Right? But I've warned her never to step her foot into this compound, Dad. Fine and good, you can go get an apartment somewhere for her. Yes, get a better home for her. That's your business, not mine. But what I'm after is that I do not want to see her in this compound, Dad. Yes. Please ask her to leave.
Vera, you can leave.
Also?
I said leave, it's also.
Dad, I wouldn't be held accountable on any action
What is it?
that I'm going to take if she
Are you
refuses
okay?
to leave at the count of 3.
Oh, he's counting. He said 2. He's counting.
2.5.
He's counting. He's counting. Leave, move.
Oh, Dad, you see, I don't like
Daniel,
it.
it's okay. Come back. She has gone. Go back.
No. I cannot have such a future filled with so much trouble. No single rest. No.
What do you want?
I don't know what to say at the moment. Please, Sia, can I just go home? Think about it. Come back some other time and tell you my answer.
As you wish, Vera. It is your future and everything. As you please.
I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of the future. I'm afraid of.
Baby, that was a smart answer you gave me. Very smart of you.
Jesse. I swear, I was scared of everything I saw in there. I mean, I didn't know what to say. So in order not to give the wrong answer, I just told her that I'll think about it.
But sweetheart, you did well. You did very well. Like, bravo, you did well.
Sincerely, I don't know what to say. How did you get to know the Sia's place?
Some time ago, like far back, my friend's phone was stolen, iPhone 13 Pro Max. She brought me here. I saw how the phone was stolen, who stole the phone, and how to get it back. That was how I got in this place. Sincerely.
Hi.
Yes.
Jesse, I don't even know what to do right now.
Don't worry. I would let you think about that yourself. Do the thinking. When you get home, sit down and think about it. The seer says it's in your future. So, my darling, calm down, okay? And let's go home. All right?
Daniel? Didn't you hear me call you? You stupid idiot. What are you even doing here anyway?
I'm enjoying my ice cream.
I can see that. Obviously the one your father bought for you, right?
Yes, but it's the remaining part he gave me yesterday.
Liar. And you now even lie to protect your father? What kind of a child are you?
No, I am not lying. It's true.
It doesn't matter. Whatever it is, shush it. Because you were meant to always serve my children. You will forever be under my kids. And that is it. Stupid.
No, that is not true. My dad and grandma has already told me that I'm the first in the family and not the second.
Will you shut your mouth if I slap you, dear? Animal, I'm talking, you're talking. If you like, just stay glued to my mother. But trust me, she won't save you from what's coming next.
I thought my dad and grandma has already finalized this issue. Why is it up again?
Are you still bantering words with me? Is something wrong with your head? Don't make me squeeze you this morning. Useless fool. Don't see what's coming next.
My brother, from the conversation I had with Vera, I don't think she's comfortable with Queen coming to this house. She's not happy about it.
What are you driving at?
What I'm trying to say in essence is that she coming here, she's coming to cause nuisance. and your wife is not comfortable about it, you should stop her from coming.
My family. My home. Every day one thing pops up. You tackle this one, another one will come up. What did Vera tell you? See, the house belongs to me, right? It's my home. And I want Queen to be coming here. She keeps an eye on our boy, our son Daniel, at least when I'm not around.
Let me draw your attention to something. Queen is married. You're also married. You know now. Anything can happen, my man.
Nothing will happen. The boy in question belongs to both of us. He's my son. He's also her son.
My brother, I'm just saying.
Yeah, you have nothing to say. Leave it. It's my home. Run your home the way you like. Leave mine. I love the fact that she comes here. Let's keep it that way.
What do you think you're doing?
I am playing my favorite game and eating my biscuits in my father's house.
Your father's house? And not my children's father, right?
I never said that.
Speaking about my children, where are they?
Maybe they should be in their rooms.
So you decided to scare them away simply because you want to enjoy your biscuits and your favorite game in your father's house, right? You know what? By the time I go in there and come back, I don't want to see this place like this. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, Daniel!
Ma'am.
Are you stupid? So you left the kitchen scattered and littered with plates, all dirty and messed up, simply because you want to enjoy your biscuits and enjoy your favorite game
No.
in your father's house, right?
Grandma told us to wash the plates, but Obina and Princess ran in. So that is why I'm here waiting for them.
You're very stupid to say you're waiting for them. Do you want me to strangle you? And what are you still doing seated? Get up from there! Go in there, clear all the dishes. If you want to lick them clean with your tongue, you better start doing it. Come back here, what are you doing? Come back here. What's this thing still doing here?
Sorry.
Pick it up! If you want to lick everything with your tongue, you better make sure they are shiny and they are all clean. If I see a single speck of dirt on the floor, you will lose a finger. Idiot.
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid of. Every day I wake up with fear.
Why are you bent in working against what we have agreed in this house? What is your problem? I'm asking you. Answer me this, I'll slap you. What is your problem? You are not a wanted. Next, I'll say you're scared of what Daniel might do to you in the future. Mother, now that you put it that way, yes, I am scared. I am very scared of what will happen to you. What is it, sir? Why is there none of you people are not listening to me? Everybody is just helping to blaming me.
My child, please sit. My child,
Please, can you share with me that thing you are seeing that is scaring you that no one else is seeing in this house?
Mother, I've seen it. Daniel will make my life miserable. He will kill me and take over everything.
And who told you this?
A seer, Mother.
A seer? How did you get to know him?
Mother, I do not know any seer. Jessica took me there. Mother, why did you slap me?
Don't you know your brain can be manipulated? For any seer to see that which they want to see in you, if your spirit is weak.
Mother, how naive do you think I am? Am I a child? Is that why you would slap me? Do I look stupid to you? Nothing was done behind me. I saw it all. I went there myself. I dipped my finger into the water that was placed right before me. It wasn't done behind me. Everything unfolded.
Let's put it this way. What if your friend Jessica is jealous of you?
Jealous? There you go again. Always being the typical African mother. Nobody is jealous of me. What do I have, gold or silver? Tell me, do I have 10 heads? Why would she be jealous of me, Mother? She's living fine, she's alive, she's breathing fine, she's not sick. Mother, she has nothing to be jealous of. Do you understand me? Jessica is not that person. Agreed. You used to know Jessica, but right now, you know nothing about her. So please, stop it! Jessica is not your problem. Let's deal with the situation at hand. The situation, I have seen my future, Mother. My future that was filled with pain and with sorrow. Let's talk about that, not about Jessica. Leave her out of it.
Vera, you're no longer the child I give birth to. You're no longer this child that I carried in my womb. You are no longer that child, Vera. You said Jessica has no reason to be jealous of you. Have you forgotten Jessica was there from the beginning? From the days of your school days. She was there. She was there when you got married. And not just getting married. You got married to a wonderful husband. And you tell me she has no reason to be jealous of you. She is not even fortunate to have a man at least 1 year in her life not to take off getting married. And you tell me she has no reason to be jealous of you. You tell her practically everything that happens in your family. You tell her how nice, how sweet, how caring your husband is to you. And you tell me she will not be jealous of you. Who does that? And not just getting married in her presence. You got married and God blessed you with the fruits of the womb. He gave you children, not just anyhow children. Maybe the ones with crippled leg, blind eyes, or perhaps imbeciles. But he gave you healthy, bouncing children. And you tell me she will not be jealous of you. Does she have a golden heart? I say, who does that? Does she have a golden heart?
Mother, you asked me and I'm telling you what is wrong with me. It boils down to this all the time and that is why I do not talk to you.
Because this is not the daughter I gave birth to.
You blame me for everything.
This is not the daughter I gave birth to.
If life flies past, it's Vera. Somebody sneezes, it's Vera. Somebody is sick, it's Vera. Perhaps when your husband even greets you in the morning, it is Vera. Now what else will Vera do? Mother, I am tired. I am going mad. Please leave me alone. Allow me live in my husband's house in peace. I am done. Please.
Oh. Ndo. Hi. What wrong have I committed? What is my child turning into? This whole thing is getting out of hand, oh. Shed, I have called your father. I've called him and I believe he will soon be here because he's so disappointed in you, Vera. He's disappointed in you.
I swear, Jessie, I have not come up with anything. My head is filled up. Don't know what to say after all I saw. Please, Jessie, can you help me with anything?
Me? Help you? Please, oh. I don't have that kind of time. I can't.
What
Beg.
do you mean you can't?
See, until you decide to do the right thing, you take the bull by the hand. I am not available.
I don't understand.
You can't understand now. How can you understand when you don't want to stay in your hands?
Stay in my hands? How? And with what?
Now, Vera, let me ask you a very sincere question. How do you plan, or how do you want to take away Daniel so that your son can become the head? How?
What will make Jessica think this way? What's happening? And what does she mean? Was this what the seer told her? No, that's not possible. I don't think so. The seer never discussed such. She told me to go home and think about what I want. Well, let me think of it first.
Vera. Vera. Vera.
Vera. No, I can't do it.
What can't you do, my child? And then?
Nothing, Mother.
You can't tell me nothing. My child, Nenaya, the replica of her father's mother. Talk to your mother. What is the issue?
Mom, I've told you there is nothing. There's nothing. I'm serious.
It's written all over you. You are even looking unkept. You feel like not sharing it. No problem. But remember, they say a problem shared is half solved. So do you think you can tell me?
Nice try, Mother. But I told you there was nothing. And that still stands. Thanks for caring about me, though.
My child, I know it must be because of the conflict of the other day. But I thought to have already come off over that. Mama, please share with your mother what the issue is. Anyway, if you feel like not sharing now, please can you come and help me in the kitchen?
That's fine, I'll be there.
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid of. Every day wake up with fear.
So today it's your turn to peel the onion. Have it. Let's learn how to peel it. You want to enjoy yourself?
Mommy.
Daniel.
No thanks.
Come on, go and hug your mother.
It's just so good.
Go and hug your mother. Now come back. Come back. You don't hold your knife this way.
Okay.
You're not trying to slice a tuber of yam. It's onion you want to cut. So you hold it like this. I know you can do it, so
Yes,
teach him.
okay. Also.
Now give him this part to do.
Okay.
Did you see?
Do the same thing.
Okay. You're still holding it wrongly, my son. Good, that way.
Okay.
Then try to press it, not too hard. You're trying. You soon get to know it. It's a gradual thing, right? Okay, you can now go to the children's room while I complete the cooking with your mother.
Okay, Grandma.
Go. My child, have you seen how happy it feels when the family is united? Are you seeing it? When everybody is on deck doing 1 or 2, training everyone equally and not segregating, leaving duty for one and leaving rest for the others. You have to try everything possible best to make Daniel get closer to you now that he's beginning to feel a little bit free with you. Do I make myself clear? My child, do I make myself clear? I know it feels hard to do, but it is a thing that is important. Udo kachasimma. Udo kachasimma. It gives joy when everyone is in unity.
Son, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mommy. Grandma has settled things.
Really? So how is your stepmother?
Well, she's becoming good these days. Don't know what Grandma told her that's changing her.
Wow.
She don't suffer me with the hard choice anymore when her children are playing or watching cartoon. We all work together.
This is strange. She better change for good though. It's for her own good. If she like, if she doesn't, it's left for her. But you have to be careful. I hope this is not her means of luring you into her evil days. Because I don't trust that woman a bit. You have to be very careful. And trust me, any silly behavior from her again, I will change it for her. Not even for good, for bad. And none of them will ever set their eyes on you anymore. It's a promise.
Oh, she has changed.
I don't trust her. What if she's pretending?
Mom, can I tip some for my siblings?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm happy you're good now. But be careful.
I
Don't
will.
trust anyone.
I
Okay?
will.
Come on, drink up.
Mother, I'd like to discuss something with you.
Okay. I'm all ears.
It's more like a question. Say, for instance, let's just say something happens to Daniel right now. What would be the situation?
First of all, you will be held responsible. And I don't see you coming out alive. Because Alex, your husband, loves Daniel so much because of the circumstances that is surrounding his birth. But what made you think in this direction? Have you been seeing Jessica lately? What did she tell you? See, whatever she told you, they are all lies, so.
Mother, bring your voice down.
They are all lies, so. The other day I was with your husband, and I was opportuned to see his documents, his property documents. And out of them, I saw the one he opened the account with 10 million naira for each of his child.
What? You're pulling my legs, Mother. I mean, my husband has never shown me any of such documents. How convenient that he shows it to you. How is that even possible?
Because you were not interested to ask or inquire of such. You were busy listening to the advice of the one who paints white, black. And I know it's none other than that your overgrown to be handled friend of yours, Jessica.
Mother, bring your voice down.
If I may ask you, what did she tell you this time around? I'm asking you, Vera.
Mother, you're still shouting. She didn't tell me anything. She only took me to a seer who showed me my future. He showed me how bad my future looked. Mother, my future was really bad. It was bleak, it was black, everything was... Mother, I was destitute. The only thing that can make my future better is if Daniel is out of it.
I see you sick, my child. Very sick.
Your future is black, your future is dirty, your future is... In fact, you saw yourself being destitute.
And you got married to the richest man in town, one of the richest men in town. And your future is black, dirty, whatever you call it. My child, instead of listening to your mother, you are busy taking the advice of the one who paints white black. She's asking you to take someone's life, to stain your hands with blood, Mother, and not just anyone's blood, but the blood of your son.
Mother,
yes, shut up! I said shut up! The blood of your son. Yes, I call him your son because your husband's son is equally your son. If I may ask you, perhaps you succeed and the family of your husband finds out. What do you think will be your portion? Vera!
Mother,
what do you think will be your
Mother,
lot?
you're shouting. I didn't
Do you
call
think
here for
evil?
this.
Shut up. I said shut up. Do you think evil lasts for long? No. Evil doesn't last. Highest it will stay a decade. Or perhaps 2 decades. And it will spill. And by then, your husband's people will deal with you. Because I know if care is not taken, even that your so-called friend, Jessica, will be the one that will betray you and blackmail you.
Mother, what would you have me do?
So how did you go? Well, it went well. My son Daniel said his grandmother has settled everything. His stepmom is not loving him.
You see? And you're here worrying your life out. Eh?
And to forget that, I don't trust that woman. I'm pretty sure that this thing she's doing, she just wants to get my son closer to her so that she can accomplish her evil plans towards him. But it will not work. Because me, I will not give her any chances with it.
Ben, did you hear yourself?
I hate myself.
No, you don't. Because if you do, you will know that Daniel is Alice's son and not Francis' son. You should know that.
Auntie, can you just... Why do you always say this? All the time, Alice's son, Alice. Have you forgotten he's also equally my son? He's also my son. So I will do everything to protect him. And no one is stopping me from doing that.
Okay, fine. Have you told Alice about it?
Not yet.
And you think you can do that at his back? What if he finds out? How is he going to react?
How is he going to find out? Auntie, that's why I'm here. I came to see you so that you can give me some advice on what to do.
You came here to seek for advice, right? Now, I am officially telling you not to try such. Anyway, yes, if you want to try it, count me out.
Auntie, it's not going to be possible.
Huh?
Nobody is stopping me from doing it.
Hey.
I want to protect my son. And you cannot stop me. This is not the advice I want you to give to me. I'm not buying it.
The nightmare is scary and real. I got to labor in this marriage in vain. I must do anything to secure my children's future in this life. My heart is not...
I can hear you now.
We came to know about my daughter's friend. The one that brought her here the first time.
Your friend? How can you call her your friend?
Huh?
I came here with her the other time to seek solution for my future.
That's what you think. She thinks otherwise.
I don't understand what you're saying, Sia.
Dip your finger into the water. Let's see.
No, I won't do it. That was what I did the last time, and I got confused. Now you're telling me stuff about my friend, and you're asking me to dip my finger once again. Who knows what you'll tell me next? Maybe you tell me some bad things about my mother.
Not possible. I'm only a seer and nothing more. I don't shed blood. Just dip your finger into the water and see things for yourself.
Sorry, I didn't know that you both... I'm sorry, I'll just be outside.
Once you ask me, I can say, I didn't see. My friend. Vera! Oh my goodness. Vera! 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 Vera!
Vera,
wrong with you?
What do you mean, what is wrong with me? No, what do you mean? First off, you never told me you were expecting any visitor, let alone you all over him and almost making out together on the couch.
He is not my visitor. He is my new boyfriend.
What? Your boy what?
My boyfriend.
Jessica.
What?
Is this how you plan on living your life?
Yes, please. I cannot be like you. Yes. You just stay one place and be waiting for somebody that is in another person's country. Sleeping with all the women, probably to get green card or something. I cannot be like you. Wait, hold up now. Sorry now, babe. Come. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Jessica, it's not about saying sorry.
You are always angry. What is that?
I am not angry. The point is you cannot keep saying these bad things about Alex. Do you live with him abroad to know if he's with one white woman or another white woman? What's all this, Jessica? Any little thing, you just push it there. You know what? I am tired of all of this. His parents who wanted me to wait for him are the fools.
I did not say that.
Then fine.
I'm sorry now. Come on. You're always hyperactive. Calm down. I'm sorry. Okay, fine. I won't talk about Alex anymore. My mouth shut up and zip up. I won't talk about him. I'm sorry.
Better.
Okay, now can we go and see my new boyfriend?
No. I'm not going in there.
You will.
No,
Why
I
won't
won't.
you?
No.
You have to. I just told you I am sorry. I apologize to you. If you do not go now, he will think that maybe there's a problem somewhere. And there's no problems, right? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fine. I'll go, but I won't spend a minute there.
Sorry!
I'm serious. I know. I am so sorry. It's my fault. I should have knocked before barging in on you guys. But in my defense, JC never told me she had a visitor. I'm sorry.
Vera, stop. Like I told you outside, it's not my visitor. It's my boyfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Never mind, I understand, okay? Yeah. You're so beautiful, as Jessie always said. She has really told me a lot about you. Jessica, serve her a drink. Enjoy your hope. Serve her something.
Jessie, what happened to Collins?
Who is Collins?
Your boyfriend.
Please excuse you me. That's my ex. Like in the ex, the past life. This is the future. Move on, darling. Take a walk. Be here. What's in the past? What do you mean? What? See Tony now. I not seen a man. Look at him, man. The guy paid 2 years rent for me. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that wonderful? Such a sweet news, my darling.
Jessica, is this what you now live for?
Hey Vera, what should I live for? I should live like you? Come on, you're a slave, my love. What do you mean? What should I live for? I should live for you, for your thing, that you go to Alex Mother's house, you sweep everywhere, carry cobwebs, packets, wash clothes, wash plates, wash pots, scrub everywhere, even cook. Well done. I'm not a slave, my darling. You are a slave, I'm not. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at this baby now. This is my body, everything. I'm going to get what I want from men. You don't know me. I can't be like you. You are so boring. I can't be like you. I can never be like you. You're so boring. See your beauty, your waist and everything. Don't worry. Sit down, Christian mother. You are good. Leave it where I am. I love my life. Okay? Face yours.
Well, I can't live like you.
Of course, my darling. You cannot be like me. I know. So keep wallowing in stupidity and be a slave forever. I can be you. You cannot be me. Can you imagine? Look at you now. See, man. That's my boyfriend. The guy is rich. He's big. He smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Hi.
How are you doing today? Good day.
I'm fine, thank you. How is Jessica? Where is she?
Oh, Jessica. She went out to get something for me. I don't even know what is keeping her. She's taking too long.
In that case, I'll leave and come back later.
No, Vera, you don't need to leave. Come on. I was even about going out to go and see my friend. You can relax and wait for her. Let me go outside and come back.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Just wait for her. Make yourself comfortable, eh?
Sure. Thank you.
Alright.
Always remember that's the future comes one at a time. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. 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 Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy.
What do you think you're doing? Are you mad and stupid at the same time? What is wrong with you?
Let's enjoy this.
Enjoy what? You're insane. What's this? Is this who you are?
Must you shout?
Why would I shout? What kind of a man are you? What is wrong with you? I wonder what Jesse sees in a disgusting idiot like you. Don't tell me to calm down.
Let's enjoy this. Must you shout?
You're insane. You're sick in the head. You need a doctor. Animal.
Babe, can you see your friend Vera? I don't see any reason why Vera should be asking me out in your own house.
What?
Yes.
That's a big lie. A big fat lie.
My friend, will you shut up?
Will you shut the hell up? Can you imagine this disgusting animal? I was right here sleeping and waiting for you. Next thing, I felt a hand touching me. Only for me to open my eyes and I saw this nincompoop touching me.
Baby, don't believe
Now
her.
he's turning around to turn the whole story.
She's a bloody liar.
Jesse!
Please, oh my God.
Hold up. Please, just shut it down. What in God's name is happening in my house? Really? I just left here for like 4 hours and then this is happening? Bum! Really?
Don't mind her, okay?
Okay, fine. I did not hear anything. Please just leave my house. Get out.
You heard her loud and clear. Leave.
Jesse,
I do not want to hear a thing.
Leave now.
Hey, hold on. She goes nowhere. I wasn't talking to her. I'm talking to you. You are a dog from Peter Hell. You are from the zoo. You ooze of stupidity. You are a fool. Oh, you came to rape my friend. That's my sister. You want to rape her in my house?
Babe,
really?
Are you talking to me too?
I am talking to you, Tony.
Babe, after everything I've done for you.
What the fuck have you done for me?
Baby, so you believe her? Baby, come on.
If you touch me, do not even try. Listen, I do not push you.
Are you being serious right now?
Leave my house.
Jesse, I think you can sort this out.
Vera, stay out of this. Just sit down. It's not your business. Do you know this guy would have just raped you? Then what would I hear? What would they say?
I woke up in time and I stopped him. So
it's fine. Just sit down. Leave my house. Leave my house! Get out! Get out!
Jesse.
And lock my door. Get out of my house! Get out! Babe, please, I'm sorry. That idiot has the guts to touch your skin. Look at you. Aso Dogo. Asa Alex na abroad. Omoma. He's a fool. I'm so sorry. Please forgive him. Okay? Please.
Just the other day, you were all lovey-dovey with Tony. And today, you just trim out like garbage.
Yes. My love, that's what men are. Garbage in, garbage out. Yes. They don't deserve my gracious body. They don't deserve it. Yeah.
What really went wrong? Because from what I see, you didn't just throw him out because of what had just transpired right here.
My girl. My babe, you are so smart. You know, that's why I love you. And I keep saying, make money with all these things. Make money, make
JC,
money.
stop.
Everywhere.
Come on, stop.
It's watches.
Stop.
It's they. Make money, Simba. What is this? Make money, say no. You're so smart.
But you know, it's not fair, right? I mean, it's not nice.
Okay, fine. Tony is a fool. He's a very wild fool from the zoo. Yes, that guy. He's so arrogant. I don't like him. Every time we say I have money, there's no money. Everything is just empty. He's always making him out. I don't like that guy. I was waiting for just one thing, you know, to just throw him away. Boom! And this one happened. I just seized it. I seized the opportunity. And then I threw him back to the dustbin where it belongs to.
That's not the right way to go about it. I don't think this is fair.
Oh, my love. If you want to do things that are fair with men, you'll be so doomed, my darling. They will doom you. Men, come on, those people, they are nothing to ask me about. They disgust me. Yes, my love. So, like I was saying, I'm sorry. Babe, nothing. I just want to say sorry for that idiot that manhandled you. That touched you. Eh? You aso dongo. Asatoni in abroad. You know? The guy doesn't know you. He's a stupid person. Sorry. I beg, I'm so sorry. Please forgive him on my behalf. Yes, that is what he is, a garbage and more. He belongs to the dustbin where flies, crocodiles, everything is there. That's where he belongs. I told him there. Yes, now, I don't have that kind of time. That day is supposed to be, you know? This gay. Sometimes you used to think well, sometimes, so it's not like you have sense, but you have small sense now. Okay, well, you know, and I'll say, okay, fine, I think I owe you one big champagne, the Betrayal or malice. Which one do you want? Make a choice. I say to you, use your body and make money. Or those your breasts and your bum, those waists, make money. You say no. Anyways, Tony's a fool. That guy is a garbage. In fact, he's an uncultured, uncensored fool. Yes. Me, I didn't really like him. It's not like I like the guy, you know, but just that he has money or he had money. I was just flirting around him for the money. Because I'm after the money. The sound of money makes me honey. Yes, for the money. Yeah, the guy, he smells, his mouth. If you want to kiss him, just like this. The guy has mouth odor. He oozes of stupidity and depression. I was just managing him, and then I was not looking for a small chance to push him out into the gutters. And then it happened, and I said, "Film, get away and let me be. Look at me now. Check, baby girl. Check me everywhere is padded. Everything is full. I'm for the president, the governors, the senators, not for one riff-raff, stupid, uncensored, arrogant fool. You understand? Yes, my darling. So that's it. You know? Pastor Mrs., please, nothing won't start. Don't start. Life is not fair. There's nothing that is fair in this life. Yes. Even being with a man is not fair. Men will just make you a fool. You will be doomed. So doomed. I'm telling you. Life is not fair.
Hi Vera. Please, sorry for what happened the other day. It wasn't intentional, please.
What do you mean it wasn't intentional?
I don't really know how to say this, but I must tell you that I truly like you. For real, yes. But it was your friend Jessica. She knew you were coming that day, so she collected 250,000 naira from me.
I don't get you. What's that?
I mean your friend Jessica. said if I want to touch you that day, I should give her the sum of 250,000 naira, which I did just because I like you. I'm just trying to let you know that she's aware of everything that happened.
No, stop it. That's a really big accusation right there. How dare you tell such a lie simply because you want to cover up your sin? Are you insane?
Vera, there's no way I can be lying against Jessica. No. You can go on and ask her. She can't even deny this. She can't. Just ask her about the money I sent to her the other day, 250,000 naira. 250k.
Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy.
Jesse, how could you be this cruel and mean? How?
Okay, can you just calm down? Take a deep breath and talk to me.
Do not tell me to calm down. Jesse, you that I call my own sister could have the nerve to sell me for a measly 250,000 naira. How could you even do that?
Hold up, that's enough. Excuse me, where did you get that from? Like, what do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? The deal you had with Tony to have me for 250,000 naira?
My goodness, come on, surprise me. Really? Now I see that men can use you like a bicycle and then drop you once you go bad. I don't get it. Oh, you believe that's dog over me? Really? That dog? And you think I would do that to you? Is that it?
JC, I will ask you this question one time.
Okay.
And I need you to look me straight in the eye and give me an answer. The 250,000 naira Tony gave to you, what was it for?
Now, if you must know, they are for my cosmetics and my shoes.
Oh, JC. But you told me he gave you that before now.
Come on! You expect me to use that money for months? I'm a woman, I've got needs, I have wants, I have family to take care of, to cater for. That money is too small for months now. And these are lies you just tell a man to get money from him. Come on, brace up, my darling. What is this? I don't get it. Or you think I'm you that has Alex and his rich family to get money from? I have to hustle for myself, please.
Really?
God, yes, really. Come on now.
You know what? Now, what don't talk?
Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy.
What happened? Afana, I thought you said Alex will come back to the sister. What happened?
No, he said July or August.
You never see something. Your eye go see something. Your eye will clear.
Jessica, why are you talking like that?
Nothing, no. You know, me, I just don't like all these abroad people. They can lie. They can procrastinate. Hey, baby, I will come back in August. The East, I'm here. December, I'm coming. New Year, I'm here. I will celebrate. Fallacy. They are born liars. My sister. See, my cousin sister, Ogechi. That's how one guy said he lives in Spain. That he's coming back to marry her. He was sending money, sending gifts, everything. 4 years. My cousin was here. She now turned Lord of the Rings. We did not see anybody. 2 years ago, she got married. See you now. We've not seen the man. Hey, I'm just saying. You know?
Jessica, what are you insinuating?
Nothing, no. Before you know, Jessica said this. Jessica said that. I did not say anything, no. But at least you have brain, Abby. Use it.
I am so excited.
Okay, calm down. What's this excitement about?
Alex is finally coming back tomorrow.
Congratulations, dear.
Thank you, I know.
Congrats. Oh my goodness.
JC.
Yeah.
Aren't you happy that my man is finally coming back?
Who says? I'm happy.
Congrats.
You know, I'm tired. I just got back. I'm so tired. I need to rest, okay?
It's okay.
Congrats.
Thank you. Finally.
Okay, let me get to my room and then take a cold shower. I'll see you in a jiffy.
It's
All
okay.
right. My girl. So, how is Alex?
It's okay. JC, he's super cute. I mean, he's so handsome. And his pictures, I did not want to believe. Like, I touched myself several. I'm like, and guess what? He's so loving, caring. He's just everything in a man.
Well, anyways, until I see for myself.
Oh, what is that supposed to mean?
Seeing is believing, yes. So when are you bringing him to my house? Let me see him, because me, I show you my friends too, so you must show me your own. It's one.
Definitely, but you should understand that he just got back. Besides, his parents are not just anyhow people that he could just leave. They plan things, you know.
Okay, they play.
JC, you're too pessimistic.
I will show you my friends. You tell me you have to plan. He said, Governor, please, I beg, let me hear. First time. Plan what?
Wait until you see him.
Wow. My girl. Like, God is sharp, man. He's so cute. And, you know, he's worth all the waiting. You're welcome once more.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
JC, can you at least offer him something to drink?
I'm sorry, I was carried away. Forgive my manners. I mean, who won't? He's such a... Okay,
Jessica.
1 second. You're welcome again. Oh my goodness.
She's so put together at times. She's just like that. She's fun to be, my best friend.
We should have told her about the drinks. We have to go. We're running late.
That's true. I'll just tell her when she comes.
I have to poison this drink. Yes, I will drug them so that I can enjoy that handsome boy. Hey! That guy is fine. The guy is fresh. Vera! Before you go enjoy, I go enjoy that guy first. Yes. I go enjoy the guy first. Very cute guy. Jeez, Alex. My guy, you fine. You are handsome. Hey! You fresh. You pockish. Yes. Father, 1 second though. I'm coming. Okay. Sorry that I kept you waiting.
So sorry, Jessica. The thing is, we
have to go.
Yes.
Go. Why?
We have an appointment. We need to see a friend of mine.
Yes, his friend Mark.
No, come on. I just brought drinks. You guys just came here.
The thing is, Mark is already waiting. Besides, we'll drink there, so there's no need starting early.
Some other time.
Yes.
Okay, just take a sip then, please. Just a sip.
Hey, don't worry. I'll bring him. Don't worry. I promise.
Trust in an enemy, don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy, don't destroy yourself.
Jesse, my problem now is Alex is not giving me the time and attention I need from him. Man, even his parents, they do not seem to know what's wrong with him. I'm just so confused and tired.
You were not informed? Oh, you didn't know? Your time has expired.
Can you just...
Your time... Yes, he has moved on to the next girl to have fun.
Stop saying all these things.
What is the truth now? It's the truth. See, if you even ask me, Me, I believe that he has gone back to his girlfriend, that queen, to have fun with her.
No. No. Stop.
What stop? Onye meturaka, onye fe, you know, if they touch you, you give way. Let them touch another person. It's one man. See, that's why I dump them. I dump men. Men don't dump me.
No.
I do the dumping. Yes. Yes. My love, dump Alex now while you can. Yes. At least you made money. You made money off him, from his parents and everything. You can even set your future. Like right now,
Jesse, why are you so negative? You're too pessimistic. Stop.
I'm being me. I'm telling you the truth. The truth they say is bitter. Dump him now and stop all this nonsense, feeble, the sadness, and then timid kind of look, and move on with your life. He doesn't deserve your tears or your worry. He does not deserve them. What is this? Alex this, Alex that. Come on, can I hear something new? Please.
Jessica! Jessica, you were right. You were right, Jesse. Jesse, you were right all along. You were right.
Right about what?
Alex. I saw Alex driving in his car with another girl. I made my findings. And I found out that he has gone back to Queen.
Hey! Call me the seer. Call me the prophetess. You see? You don't respect your pastor because you know me. I foresaw it now. I gave you prophecy. You say no, you don't want to hear it. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I warn you? I told you that your time has expired. Move, you say no. You're not under inside. Now you're crying. Hey! So after all the cleaning, packing of poo-poo, washing toilets, clearing cobwebs, you climb ladder and go up to the roof and clean everywhere. It's a come hold on. Wash plates, you know, scrape pots, clean house. They still dumped you. Hey! I told you now. I want you to hear. Hey! Boss. Oh, just come on, laugh. Your face is in tears. You're laughing. Stop laughing. I cannot help this because I want you. Did I want you? I want you. Hey. You know when God gives you a full package, like a package in a package in a package in a package. If you see that, my man, a man that has class, that smells class, the aura is class, that knows what it is and what to give his woman, even without asking, from my perfumes to my jewelries to my clothes to my panties to everything I wear and everything oh my goodness, if you see this man, he bought me designers. Fendi, Gucci, Christian Dior, everything beautiful. Oh my goodness! That man is a man. My man! Oh my God, I love him. Okay, Bobo. May God bless you. More money. Okay, Nkemu. Okay, hey! Okay, if you see my man, my darling, he's a man and more. Okay, Kuru. Instant bang, bang, bang. Hey! My goodness.
Well,
hey,
Jesse, I am so happy for you.
Of course, my darling, you don't have a choice. You have to be happy for me, you know. Okay, Nwa. Okay, Bobo. Okay, Bobo. My goodness.
Destroy yourself. Trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trusting an enemy, don't destroy yourself. Trusting an enemy.
Jesse. Jesse.
What is it? Why are you calling my name? What happened?
I'm finished. My parents will kill me.
Okay, now, calm down. What is it so we can know how to sort it out?
I'm pregnant for Alex.
Hey!
Shouting.
You are a whore. You are a cheap whore. You are so loose. In fact, you are worse than me. Hey, Auntie. Hey. So after the things I've taught you on how to, say no, stand your ground, you still went and open your stupid and dirty leg bagada, and then you got pregnant. You're telling me your parents will kill you. They should kill you and bury you. You deserve it. Eh? So you went and...
Stop it, Jesse! What is this? What is wrong with you? Am I a child? Why are you scolding me as if I'm a baby? What's the meaning of all this? And you're insulting the man that might just marry me tomorrow? What is your problem?
Oh.
You mean I cannot even tell you anything anymore?
Sorry, matured woman. And to that idiot that got you pregnant, matured men and matured women. Sorry.
I shouldn't have even told you in the first place. What was I even thinking?
It's better, Seth. Why did you tell me? Loosed whore. If you ask me, go and abort that thing in your tummy. That's if you ask me. Abort it now that it's early. Before you face thorough disgrace.
You see who you call your best friend. Onifoberia, you've seen it all. From the beginning, the signs were there. But you stupidly carried her along. Dikeh sinobra. Was it not my breast you sucked?
What about the future I saw when I first came here?
Jessica made me do it.
You're welcome once more.
Thank you.
I invited you here because I got to understand that you're going through some financial crisis.
Yes. Oh, how do you know?
Let's say I made my own findings and I can let it go away.
Really? Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Please, hold up. Take a deep breath. Before you begin to thank me, there's something you have to do for me.
Okay. Which is?
I want my friend Vera out of the way.
Are you alright? Is anything wrong with you? I don't shed blood, and don't you ever repeat this again. Before the God I serve, use your blood as sacrifice.
Hold up. Yo, easy. Sorry. It's fine. I will just look for a native doctor to do it for me. It's okay, but before you earn my money, you must do something for me anyways. It's not free.
Okay. I can reprogram the water to suit Vera's fears based on the story you told me. But I must not touch the water when the person in question is around. Else, my own story will be washed.
Well, that's fair enough. It would give me time. I'll buy enough time to look for a native doctor that can do what I want for me. Oh, do you know any?
The God I serve will not allow me to know such people. That was what brought the future you saw.
And the future?
You have the will to change what you saw. Do good always and leave the rest to God Almighty. Your husband loves you.
Mother. Thank you. Thank you, Mother.
Shouldn't thank me, my child. Your battle is my battle also. You should be happy that I'm alive to join you in the fight. Meanwhile, thank the seer.
No, not me. Thank God Almighty.
Don't worry. I'll come back with a great surprise for you.
God bless you, Farah.
Thank you.
Have you seen who you call best friend? Did you see it? I wonder what you people of this generation used to qualify a best friend. I just wonder.
Mother, I thank God who has saved me from the lion's den. I'll just go home now, relax, and watch Jessica disgrace herself.
It's okay. The most important thing is that you are awake from your slumber. Thank God you're no longer in the river, drowning. You know it's not meeting Chana Baganya. Please, let's go. Thank God you are awake.
What? You want to take Daniel off the way? Wow! That's good. Good news. Beautiful news. Wonderful news. Sumptuous news. Yes! My dear, you are doing well now. You don't mount your guard normally. You are doing well. This is it. That's your mother, uncle. Alpha. You have sent her to the village. That witch? That black witch? You see, you don't gather your things normally now. I said, oh my God, your brain there for your head. Yes, this is it. This is it. This is you that I know, Vera. One and only Vera. Okay. So you are home now, home alone. Only you. I'm coming, though. We need to celebrate, my darling. I'm coming. This is it. Done and dusted. Yes. Okay, I'm coming. Yes. Ha! Oh, so we go now. It has sets. This is a hell, Gene. Now, let me laugh in a very dramatic way. Hey, this is sweet. Wonderful news. So far now, this is your doom. You are in that doom now. This is it. Yes, Ogeni, every day. My husband this, my husband that, this, my marriage. What is it? Now only you. I'm the only one in this earth. Yes. I want to see your tears. I want to see the tears drop down your eyes. I want to see you. I want to feel you in sorrow. Let the doom start now. I want to watch you cry. Yes, it will give me very sweet feeling. I will be so fulfilled to see you cry. Yes, the hour has come. It's about to go down. Ogene, what is it? Nonsense. And I'm sure your husband, he will just send you away. Boom! That's it. I need to cheers. I need to drink up, to ginger my swagger. Get it? My girl, Jessica. Thumbs up. Well done. Do we married? I need to toast, to a mission accomplished, to a job well done. Jessica, you are the master planner. What you say? You are the master planner. You are the everything in one. Again, because every time my husband this, my husband that, my marriage this, that's what. Wait, shut up. And I'm sucking your tears, bitter tears. Yeah, I want to cheers to your doom, to your failure. to me laughing at you with my full chest. Rubbish. Now to it. Now, it's bam! Such is just a very fake wine. It's so sad. Anyways, I will still drink it, yeah. Yeah. Cheers. So mission accomplished. Cheers to tears of sorrow for Vera. Oh, yes, please.
Right?
You called.
I did. You look like you've just seen a ghost. Oh, my mother? Of course.
She's surprised.
Come.
Don't worry. The witch woman is still there.
No, ma, it's not what I meant. No.
What did
no,
you
ma.
mean? What did you mean? I mean, the seer explained everything to us. I mean, my mother and I. She told us how you bribed her. Yes. But you don't have to worry, JC. My husband will soon be here. He's going to bring the police. When the police comes, then you can explain to them everything you meant.
No, please, ma. Please, ma. I'm sorry.
You have to lay down. It's already a spilled milk. Spilled!
But I wanted the best for you. I'm sorry. It's not what I meant.
You wanted the best for me and you wanted me to kill my son? Really? Is that how good you love me? My best friend? No, of course you want the best for me, right? You know what? Go get us some ice cream. It's about to be a movie. Not you. Not you. You, Danielle, my darling. Yeah. Let me go. You have another task. Okay. Run outside, tell the gate man to lock the gate till your father comes. Hurry. Go.
Okay.
Tell him to lock the gate. Careful.
Call your husband.
Yes.
Vera, I'm sorry. Please. Please.
Hello, honey. Yes, she's been here. Yeah, she's been here. Are you on your way now? Okay,
Please, ma. Please,
ma.
Don't touch me, Blackwood.
Please hurry up. She's here. Thank you. I love you too, honey.
Go get yourself your own husband, Simba. My daughter's own is the
I'm
best.
sorry. It's not what I meant. Please. The police, please. I don't want to go to jail.
Of course, I don't know anything. I'm naive, so you can tell the police. Then they will explain it to us explicitly. Come on, mother, relax. The gate has been locked. You don't need to stress yourself. Yeah, Chefum. Okay, Chefum,
Your imagination is killing you. 'Cause it's preview of your life coming attraction. Always remember that's the future.
I hope everybody is happy.
Why is it taller than me?
A loving heart is the trust wisdom. Being defeated is often temporary condition, but giving up is what that makes it permanent. Trust is the foundation of healthy relationships. But don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. There is battle in this life we live. Oh. can destroy yourself. Don't destroy. Trust this enemy in disguise. Don't destroy. It's the foundation of healthy relationships. But don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. There is battle in this life we live. Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy. Trust this enemy in disguise. Don't destroy yourself. The way the lobby, trust in the enemy. Don't destroy. The way the lobby, trust in the enemy. Don't destroy the enemy in disguise. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an